What? Chin.
What?
Where you say I go on now?
Me there.
Me not see about the place.
Me up on me yard.
Up here yard locked down so.
Mm-hmm.
Where you say go on now?
Me not think the way you tell me yet.
You think about it all now?
No.
Something can go on for me or you?
Probably.
Probably.
Mm-hmm.
I get
But
it
my mother
probably.
know why me really have man.
Man, why if you have no man?
Mm-hmm.
So if I say hang yourself, you hang yourself.
No.
Man, I don't know what go on in it.
Me I go make you know silk. I'm kinda like you.
I like it took on a long time.
Mm.
I look for braces up on your teeth, oh God. Tell them.
Mm.
So, where am I do? The woman up on the road.
Indeed, the upper road that come.
Would have come.
Mm-hmm.
What is not this?
What go on, Auntie Charmaine?
Hello. What you doing yourself?
I shot me, did I go?
This look like shop to you?
A small conversation we have, man. It's a long time we there, no.
Long time you after my daughter.
And I'm a little friend.
Charmaine, man. So we have friend from where Lily Pitney I go to primary school, and we little friend. So we can't make him pass, so.
And the amount of times me have to interrupt you or play doctors and nurses with my daughter.
Yeah, because probably in the future when I grow up, I'm going to be a doctor and she'll be a nurse. So I have to practice.
You can do that foolish talk with her, but not with me here. You're not
I
gonna work
don't
with
understand
me.
what you're saying.
You don't understand, so pretend. Where you do side of road attack?
I'm a friend.
Your friend?
Yeah.
Try to take your book.
Yeah, we are, man.
This one that road attacked him friend when she should have been taking her book. You know, have exam.
I'm a friend.
Our friend, man. Come here, Gina. I'm talking to you. Got money.
You mean?
Enough.
I'm saying what making I butter in a bag, man. With bread.
All right. Hold on. No, say nothing. Right. A long time they like them one of them for younger age, right? So, no wrong.
That me I say.
If you allow her to choose a young man, he's a good man. Very respectable man. Highly respectable.
Stick a pin right
True.
there, so. Are you go through 42 hours a labor, childbirth, giving birth to her?
No,
Are you skin out for 42 hours in pain?
we can't do that.
Okay. Are you did enjoy making her?
No.
Okay. So that is the same answer you're going to get. But you interrupt with me and pick me.
The man is a good man.
Bye-bye.
Me highly respect the man. Me salute you, sir. This
Yeah,
was
boss.
Salute. Then why you not go there then? And allow
Just
my
say that, auntie, man.
daughter.
No, no, say that, man.
She have her education.
What you mean by what you there?
Yeah, promote him and he was a good man. The interrupt with me and my daughter
I
now
thought
become
you
want
know.
her forget her education.
she done with school. She got to
Exactly.
18. So what you are trying to say? If it is my pick the long time, me say, yo, go on the road.
I'm
You
work
wa-
hard
you
now,
wa-
auntie. I'm a hard working man.
You
You know.
want your daughter go find somebody we broke and have no money. This man have money.
Oh, so I sell yourself with picnic?
No,
Oh.
I would never do that.
No.
I would
Well,
never
here
do that.
what?
I would never do that.
You is not 18 yet. You have your education and you have your exams and you have your future for worry about. You have plenty time for worry about, man, when you is 19, 20.
So far.
So far, try not to say I gotta take your book.
So baby, let me ask you a question. When you did 16, you tell me say when you did 16, right? You lose your green card.
Hi. Me and you have conversation. What we talk about on the pillar, enough come out the street.
She fly past your green card and reaching at the gold card.
Hi. You see, if you know why shop and everything locked, including key at the front door, you be your mouth.
Yo, here. You see, you take a walk.
All right,
Cause
boss.
she in a heat right now. Take a walk.
All right, we link up.
Listen to me. Me no want to see you back on the road. I chat to no man.
Alright. Yeah.
Me no want to see you a chat to no man.
Alright.
Read me lips. No man.
Yeah, man.
And that you should have said for a long time.
Right.
Go take your book. You want to see
Take your book.
And what kind of foolishness you are to encourage the child? When she bring in belly for me now, what you are going to do?
Don't worry about that. You not coming with no belly.
not coming with no belly. You're a real idiot sometimes, you know. You're a real idiot. We can't deal with you. More time. More time. You just make me mad.
Don't worry about that. You don't worry about that. Just relax. Calm down. Come on, we are go for yard. How are you doing good?
Me I look fear. Me I walk and I look fear.
I look here.
Let me tell you something. She's at the age when she a jump. And me no want no unexpected pregnancy.
Well-
She have her future to think about.
Well, top make seed, raw salt. Come, it's going up. Going
Oh
up.
man, sometimes you talk foolishness.
So wait then.
Oh well.
So, me not think I got this in her.
Mm-hmm.
So why is she going down the road? You know there's something wrong with you. I say go. You can't go walk him down. Me gone up. Me gone up or something.
Jabu and top there.
Happy to see you, Mama. What's that going on?
Me there. Me just didn't want to see you again.
What's that going on? Think about you now.
I'm a stepfather, so I can't talk to you. Yeah.
How long more you that?
Mm-hmm.
So you say you can't go on now.
So we there now.
But they know.
Mm-hmm.
No, we are talking today.
Okay.
Yeah, we're going to bed over there. We are talking now.
Alright. So come now.
Oh, why black? Come on.
Hello. Come here, come here. Come here, Mr. Sir. And you, ma'am, come over here, so to me. So you think me an idiot? Chin, you think me an idiot? You see me there come. And you take time go over so with man. Who him? Sir, who you?
No, I'm a cousin here. By your mother's side, we come from the countryside.
Yeah.
Me no know him.
See me, you know me. Me don't know you neither.
Look
so
here.
go on.
See your mother if you never know.
Mm-hmm.
It's my sister-in-law. This is my niece.
You get a sister-in-law.
I mean, know her mother family. Listen to me. Me no know you as no family.
Mother, my auntie.
But auntie
No!
cousin.
Cousin and cousin. You a cousin and cousin. Oh, so
No,
where
no,
you go?
no,
Which
no,
part
no.
over there so you go? Where you going?
No, I look for my daughter over there.
You want go on over there to go look for your little dirty daughter. So you want come broke out for me niece.
What do you mean, dirty daughter?
Me no know who you.
Go on.
Hello.
Sis.
How this?
Oh, mommy.
So you have them a kind of family here and not tell me about them. Me know
What
the rest
kind
of your
of
family
family,
them.
yeah?
Me no know him.
What kind of family?
And your family see it. Lucky thing me no easy if you take can.
Hold
Me
on.
no like take pill.
Him?
This John Crow, when me stay with my niece,
No, Jungle Fan.
which is your daughter, I go come tell me like me a jackass say, you and him related. Eh? Tell me now.
business with you, you know. What happened? Cause me really want to know if me grow up a liar.
And then she a come look for me. Chin, I will box to make your mother feel it. You a come look here, boy. Move out from the way. Come here. Come here. And that you do
When she tell you say him have a family.
this dirty thinking dog. Tell me, from me see the John coming out say you and him no related.
Him after my daughter.
So you know
From
him?
them how long?
You know him?
From how long? I mean, I tell you, me I warn you.
So,
Me I warn you.
hello. And my sister-in-law, this is my favorite sister-in-law. The rest of them can go a bush go dead. Listen, you is my niece. You're my favorite niece. You hear me? Out of the rest. And after your mother suffer with you, so. So hold on there. So through your papa dead.
Your family.
Through your pa dead, which is my brother. And you know say, me is your auntie. You feel say you can tell me, take time, take one side, they go a bush with man.
Bush with
I'm
man,
a
which
friend.
man?
Which friend?
Which man you go bush with?
I'm
No,
Which friend you go bush with? If you think say somebody raise you, little girl, if you think say
all right, now
somebody
see
raise
me in
you.
front of dirty boy. Cause that thing want you figure out.
Bush!
Come here,
Bush!
please. Come here.
Yeah, bush girl
Come here.
now.
I told you something you tell me. Me no know which one to believe. First me ask you who him be. You say your cousin.
No,
No,
I
you
never
they tell
miss
me
it.
again.
Oh, so you use a liar too.
Mommy,
In
I
a
never
follow is
miss
a
it.
liar too.
Not like that.
I am first saying cousin and then him a follow and they
Like
say
that.
she a follow him and they say them a cousin.
No, me I say I'm
you-
cousin friend.
Hey, when me
And
talk,
I'm a
don't talk.
friend
Shut
too.
up. I know you just chat about say I your friend. Friend your
They answer
backside.
every permission for shut your back.
Eh? Nobody shot. No, wait. When you go home, you deal with it. And shame in front of a little dirty. Move!
Embarrass her.
You don't use condom and want to come breathe off people's knees.
You
Move!
really want me to answer you? Eh? Take my name out of your dirty mouth, boy. Me and you no family.
We can't be family.
Which part?
You ever take nothing
Which
from him yet?
Him want to take something from my daughter, me and stop it from
So in the pay your money to come there with your daughter?
Which part? You see him have money?
Watch out. Look on his foot.
Which part?
1 foot avant socks. Look on the dirty man where want come be your son-in-law.
Yeah, 1 foot
1
damage.
foot avant socks.
1 foot damage.
1 foot no avant no socks. And I
1
must see
foot
people
damage.
slippers in your van car. I don't know him. And when you see the clothes in you know, so you can't fit him and no fee him. A thief people.
Me no
So you want,
business if you have money or not, you know.
you want come breathe off me
Still not
knees.
in that. Eh? She not in that yet.
You?
Listen, man.
Listen,
Everything
one.
have a name brand.
Who you?
You see a Puma.
So that you have on where you borrow or
Polo.
thief and they try catch me
Shut
knees.
your mouth.
I
You
wish-
in trouble
Upon
already.
you.
Me out.
You in trouble already.
You damn
Turn up
fool.
the phone
Tell
and
them,
move.
Okay, so Puma catch you. Why you say I'm Puma?
Chicken egg
Apollo.
berets.
Apollo. So you
All laced upon
so
shirt.
through this a man you in a polo shirt you feel say your money, you don't know if a thief in thief. Come back here so to me.
People Jamaica again.
I warn you from the other day, you know, with the dirty attitude them where your mother tell me about where they go on with you know. And you're not turn on when time me to talk to you, now you take one side because when you this they go over there so with man. You they walk big and bossy. And they turn your head over so like you know see me like me an idiot.
Oh, so you turn big woman and
And they tell like this little 40 leg, both of your cousin or your friend. Where you feel like?
Okay.
You feel such a remember that you can come go on like I say I know big woman. What? You just read 17 yesterday? Eh? Man, take your frozen drunk or clot and half of me.
Before me do you
Look here, no, but hey, don't touch me.
Stick to the girl, man.
Jesus
Hey,
Christ.
before me do you something in our youth, you
Smell her.
tell me how to raise my picnic.
You
You never
Look
skin
here.
out for 40 years
Look here.
old giving birth.
Smell
So
it,
then-
sir.
Man, no
Smell when just touch. Smell it, sir.
PST, man. Watch out.
Then I know you
This a boy a smell like he go a bush, go shit and no clean.
I Polo.
Hey.
And that
Me have to
catch
go
you.
home go bathe me have to go bathe.
Where is the woman? I stay so.
Oh, you mean no mistake? So where you touch me for?
How you argue with the woman?
Eh?
Go wash your hand and rub your face. And then
Oh,
that- oh,
and I'm gonna feel you can't come argue with me sister-in-law, so you know.
hold on.
So you mean by
A shit on you want.
Look
Shit
about
on
your
you want.
business.
Apollo.
And I'm bother with me, Paul. You still a chat about Paul? You have problem with Paul? Come here. Every minute, yeah.
So which
I want.
worker you want?
You don't think I'm mine.
I open. Oh, in the touch her. In the touch her.
No.
Okay, you know, smell like a
Implant
shit.
to touch her
I
for
know
a
me have to
long
go and go
time.
change.
Oh God.
You see you? You see if let me tell you something, you don't know me, you know, boy. Hold this. You don't know me, you know. If you
better
make me
run.
take off my clothes out your
You
today.
better run.
Why? Let me
Come
tell you
on, hold
something.
her back
You see
still.
any you touch me knees, any
hold her back
make sure
still.
you know I don't have sex with him, you know. Whether with condom or without condom, cause them the dirty, ugly, old rascal, me no want them in my family, you know.
Pretty boy start work with my green gutting.
You come back. You come back.
Pretty boy.
Me say you come back. You come back.
You.
One part of the go.
Polo. I say you cheap.
Oh, Tada.
A dear.
Damn bright.
Let me your answer back,
A
girl.
pretty girl you want. Pretty girl you want. You're not coming to my family. Move. No.
That no sense. Walk out.
Not my niece. You're not get me niece. You're not gonna get me niece. See, go on where they go. She not ready for no money. She just 17. She go look work. Go on there go. Me help send her to college. Move, Jankro. Look where
Hey, boy.
look what bossy head. Hey, you should have pop in head. Come on, you. Look how they walk. Like you're not even name for a
Stand
morning.
up here, sir.
Eh?
And no move.
Like you're not name for a morning. You can't mind my niece. So, how will you hear about? You hear saying father dead, so you come to take over.
I
Me will
don't-
mind my niece
I
myself. I will help send her
don't-
to school. She will go to college.
Sis, I know that even that, eh?
Mm.
Me see she, this chicken head, I fall for Mr. Polo shit on, eh? And me go talk to her
Come
about
out the
it.
road. Sit now.
Me
Come
talk to her
over
about
here
it.
so to me. Cross the road.
My chicken head man. And that me for calling.
Where you say? Where you say? Me name the
I
year
come
book.
and I tell her, say, yes man, it's alright, it's alright.
Who they say yes man is alright?
And Papa, who me there with?
You know how long me out?
Me a get hey.
You know how long me the one about that dirty man that we name Papa eh?
But anything a man say a hit goes.
Girl, you know
Come,
no
come,
sense
come,
to
come,
shut your mouth
come,
when you
come,
in
come.
trouble
You
already.
know no manners. How this to you?
I'm mother.
I'm me out to you.
Auntie.
So what? You start hide and take man now.
No.
Come back right here so come if you pick your neck. You don't walk back here like you're a crab. If you take another step, You're not going to like when me get a lick off the clothes them off for you then turn on a different color. Hold up the bag properly on your shoulder, although it's not yours. Your auntie one, holy. Make your wife see your dress and look good. When gone?
I'm not even business.
Dirty dog. Listen to me. You see them they kind of miss won't deal with you for your man, you know. You see for your dirty foot man, where they can't tell about Ray Ray and
She
blah blah.
can go, she
I
can
tell you
go.
want to sell out me niece, you know.
And that me tell him say if him never skin off a 40-year-old that was in labor,
Hello.
yeah, come tell her.
You know your
nothing.
sister-in-law say her head no good already. Jesus Christ. You know say your sister-in-law head mad. Psycho. Eh? Mad house. A 10th floor left for me go. That the dirty man the way you have, me tell you feel left for long. And you not left him and I don't know where you sip on him. I don't know where they trick you.
Him good
See your
points.
daughter they come chat about polo. You have on polo. I don't know where you see in a papaya now. Where you see Nike. Anyway, me soon deal with him. Left him for last. I'm not ready for him yet. Hello. You see that dirty foot boy they are bushing gun in. Who to telephone and shitting and shit again? Because from me seeing he look like he have running belly. Hello, Chin. You hear me? No, don't talk to me, so say yes,
Yes,
auntie.
auntie.
Okay. Listen to me. As long as God blow breath in you, and you're the inhale and exhale, and your two eye them open so, when you see them the dirty butterfoot boy there, when you have no money, as you see them, you see poverty. Where they go? Eh? This year we must get rich. This is 2026. Listen, you know, go on them the road there. Then the boy they will breed you and left you. And tell and threaten you and tell us say don't call their name to your family, else them a come for you and your family. What me say? What me just say? Looking at me eye.
Yeah.
You see that one over here saw it a quint? I will lick in your face.
You have to take your
Any
book.
Remember say she bright. She done high school at college time.
Exactly.
And she
She
fi
will
go
take her
study.
book.
She fi go study now.
Get
You dey
your-
come
get
take
your
one side and
education.
walk one side fi go over bush with man.
And look for
Girl,
your future.
you act like you don't know your auntie. Remember say me a idiot and me nah no sense. You see you pretty? Me no want see you no little dirty butterfoot dunce boy. Cause from your senior sister you never used to go to school. A thief he walk and thief. He go to people them window. I saw me ear all when me don't know him.
No go so.
And thief out the people them TV. You want your picnic fi count on thief?
No.
You're not ready to breed yet. What me say? You're not ready to breed yet. And if you even go get pregnant and if you know dirty thieving boy.
No
You want one
pregnancy
good
yet.
decent man when a time, not now.
2020.
Turn your roll. Give me my bag. Go back to your yard. How tired I'm going to talk to you, you know. But I don't want she here because she know she will go tell a little dirty foot boy. That's when they're young so and see man when they like. I saw them behave. Go on if you think you're bad, tap on the road. And I hope you don't take his number. Because if you call him,
That
you
don't
burn
have
you
him
from your
number for
phone for
long
5 years. Hello.
That don't have him number for a long
My
time.
sister-in-law, you know my brother dead and gone. And him say, me fi take care of anything you don't want me fi go no. Please me dey beg you, don't make Papa turn you an idiot. And they come tell you say.
You know, sis say, my daughter is one of the only young girls in the lane no breed.
You know,
Not
as
teeth and not
anyone
no
say no till
record.
little girl fi go look man,
You
you know.
know how hard me work with that little girl? For any man for turn me and she in a idiot? Papa, I give it good man and that's why I'm still there.
Me not talk about that.
Papa,
That's a
give it
fear in
good.
him bedroom life story. That is
Exactly.
for no personal life. Me dey talk
But
about me
when it
niece.
comes
Me
to
no
my
want.
daughter,
Papa,
me
they-
raise my picnic.
Yo, me
you
no
should
want-
know better, man.
Yo.
You should know better.
Papa, you agree with me, you know. When they, me need to see him.
And they're per yard as usual.
Okay, come on, cause me notice I want to talk to you anyhow when he no see me and he knows me head no
No,
good.
him can't talk to me any
You fi kick it down.
I'm in a business. Come out of that. Your business with you.
No,
Your
me no
business
care.
with your
Don't tell me if
niece.
you no come out of that.
Your
Kick him
business
down.
with your niece.
And if you take
Come.
money from him, that you see you how long me a one year go like you idiot now to a road you depend but me no
And
busy
you
with
and
that.
me
And
is
when
two
I'm done, you dey
different
call me for phone a
persons.
ball.
You and me is two different people. Me
Oh.
with man for money.
Okay,
Come,
so
this
you
is
ready
my
and beat every
phone.
minute you dey on
Which
phone and come
means-
call me in a ball or you no
Which
come in with
means
no
you
money
can't
and you
talk to me,
hungry.
so me no know why you are here
come on, me
about
love. You
me.
go call me back again. Big up yourself. Come on.
know
Me,
you
come on.
So long for me woman take from the road. You know, get no money.
You know, if I never auntie Candy, mother get him money.
So me send you back. If you go get the boy, and you know, collect the money.
Say me and him are go over a house just to go book up on auntie Candy.
You know, say now, work, good girl. Listen to me. In times like this, we have to get money. And money pay bills, right? Remember, say mother now really working out. Me alone, the mother different from you. Me have to go out there go work. So you see, if you can help towards everything, cause me love your mother, me don't want to leave your mother, you don't want that. So I know, me not be too greedy. But one hand can't clap. Cause look, can't clap, can't clap. Pretend to me hand cut off. Eh? I know waking up I shut your auntie your box. You laugh. You think you take this to you? Hey man, you know, you're pretty. Any man they want you. Money have to make. Your auntie don't have money already. Your mother don't have it.
No, when you come to Jamaica.
Listen to me. All them people, they only get no call family. Because they don't want to see you elevate. I elevate me, I elevate you.
That's true.
A good something me I do when they see me I do that. I elevate me. Talk it truth. Which other father would have really elevate their daughter like that to make it in their life and rich?
That's true.
Huh? You have to...
At least we come find you in the yard.
Yeah,
That's
man.
where we find her.
Where?
Eh? Down the lane with that dry foot boy, and I say, I'm my cousin.
Where you do down the lane with the giant foot boy? Where you do down the lane with the giant foot boy?
You know, say our friend them we do like a meet up over there, so.
I go over a screech, I go over a yard, my sister in law.
You never hear last part of the conversation with them when they talk about rich. You
No,
never
me I tell her, I say, me I elevate her if you get rich. Me, man, at
So
20
how you elevate her if you get rich?
by taking up a book and going to college. Because me tell her, I say, I'm me alone and work, the mother not work. Right? So, you thirsty? Can I get her some water? Because you so, give her some water.
Where you contract about? You think me an idiot? Me hear one stay around there, so.
What me say?
Family they come, me they hear your mouth, can they chat loud. That's one that she want upon you.
Hear
Tell the
what?
truth.
Me they tell you what they when they say about you, they on your phone. You nah listen.
Baby, me I talk to her and
Hold the water
elevate her.
now, but that she pan him now, hold it.
Me I elevate her.
Me soon tell you. But you they pan the phone, me they tell us if you listen when my chat say. That's why me tell you if you stop running can listen what they tell me about. No,
So
man,
yeah,
me
eavesdrop.
dey pan
How you
one
the
phone.
eavesdrop in our family
Me dey
business?
pan
Is that important?
I'm about important call
How
and
you-
about
how you
money
eat-
and sitting tomorrow.
make sure
Yeah,
eavesdrop in our
money gram
business,
to go
eh?
collect money. That you they chat about before you listen when they tell your pitney say. That dirty money you think easy. You think that junk are easy?
What am I talking about?
So when you hear,
Me did I tell you about you say hold on then me soon talk to you. You dey chat to somebody pan phone overseas. You know hear when they tell him fi get money.
Tell me, say she gone.
Shut up, you told lie, shut up.
I mean, no, say you a liar.
I don't know,
Discover
college.
you.
Me not tell you no lie, I just train up on the phone. Me
Baby,
never want you go cut
never
the
tell a
call.
lie before.
Here you are.
Have I ever tell
You
a
don't
lie?
want me for, you don't want me for go there.
Make it,
So when you really hear so talking
you know, hear me just tell you, say him at in name, they tell him nothing about no rich and no college, nothing about no go to college and get rich and no a lie, no elevate nothing. And money they tell him fi look.
Over 17 years have I know you.
Okay, you think him a go
Right?
to them they sitting in front of you?
17
You
years
could
I take you up with
Never
her.
be telling my
But
daughter
you know,
to
he
go
know
look
we do with
at
him.
man.
Did I-
Can't chat that in front of you.
Did I tell
He
you about
know
no
say where they
MON?
No,
Okay.
a college.
College. I
College.
tell her about CLAL.
Yeah.
Hey,
Boy!
you stop. You fi stop. You fi stop.
See,
Me rotting,
If
go
it's-
back to school.
You fi stop.
Yes, sir. Watch ya, not
No.
no.
And I
Rotting care,
know
me
me
still rat.
still not see you with a book.
oh, me catch you now. COLLATE.
Me say fi stop.
No, wait there.
You shame
You
yourself.
see Uno?
GE.
You see Uno need to go back to school.
GE. Ah,
Go learn to spell rat
CLLGE.
and back before no go learn to spell college, you know idiot. I take man college around here and tell her about. Wait, when time me go one side, me tell her something about the idiot here.
Baby,
When me hear about
let me
him a
ask you a
road.
question.
Me tell you, me put you up on the
Out
on
of
your
your
yard.
sister-in-law,
Everything good, know
or
what
the
you say.
man
Listen to him.
where you deal with for 7 years,
I
ago,
idiot, you
8
take your
years.
fire. Yeah, me sister-in-law, me not tell you no lie.
Eh? Me and you there for 7 years ago in a 8
I
year.
could have 50 year yard him, they don't make him style you.
Along the me know me.
I be stepfather.
Sit!
You hear she if
Proud!
you hear?
Something funny, something
Like him
funny,
a tell you
something
say,
fi true.
you have how much man and one if sitting already. This little girl make she stop.
Have you elevate me?
Elevate.
Right.
And you write things there.
Right.
Like what?
Anthony, where you did them with.
You
Okay,
hear?
yeah.
Hey! Hear there? Look what she
Like
can
what?
tell you.
Let's say it louder.
In front
Say
of
it
man.
again. Never quite hear you, man. All deaf age. Say it again, because you turn big woman in a big woman.
No, because she
and
has
push up your
17.
chest
She
to
has
me. So
17
say
now,
it
so she
again.
feels that she fit chat to you in
Say
any
it
now.
again.
And
Like what? Like what?
And that one I know still Ahuni Anthony. Because of 7 years me know
No, but I think about Anthony, because when his sister-in-law did there with the man when him Anthony, she never know you. So no matter come twist it around and change the subject, like say she a give you bun. And you a give her bun junk from me here out the road for a long time. I told me no why you not have nothing. Move from
a
yourself.
lie, pure lie. Pure lie.
Well, if
Aye.
it's lie or if it's true, just know so what goes for the goose goes for the gander.
Okay,
You
good.
book. You want to know what kind of elevation?
Yeah,
Your
take up your
grades better elevate too.
Yes, I make sure you get
C's
A.
and D's. We want A's.
Right, A's in
That's
the
what
family.
you used to get.
Be like your auntie have A's.
Don't mix me up. Talk to your woman.
Baby. This is the thing when I try to show you. It's when me and you have things you don't lay you out to your sister-in-law.
Hold on. For one, conversation me and my sister.
Because she look me and told me no want her.
My sister-in-law don't say that a lie for a long
Nobody
time.
got there,
Nobody
Papa.
with you.
You know
Nobody with you. Because if my
fi
sister-in-law
stop
did
it.
listen to me, she wouldn't there with you. So I don't know what me
You
I do
fi
it.
stop it like how you fi
What
stop
me I gonna do with this
smelling.
cockroach?
It no look good.
Oi,
It no look good.
nobody come mix me up. Find something else tell her, cause she don't know
It
say a
no look
liar
good.
they tell.
You fi stop the
Cockroach.
line like how you stop the
Me no
spelling.
mix and me no mingle with dirty bungle.
All right. She never look.
Okay.
That's it.
So
One
what
lie
you
me
tell that
tell.
they lie they know? Where you feel say my sister-in-law go fall for you say? 'Cause you know such a
No, I prank her, man.
I
Just
say
try,
take her
no.
for idiot. Oh you prank her.
No, what you are doing, Papa? Cause what goes around comes around.
No,
I mean, nice. I'm very nice.
Oh,
But you see when my head chip,
okay.
I take long for chip, you know.
no, me no
Me
really
give
want to
rope.
chip. So why
Give
problem now? Why
extension.
problem?
Not touch
No,
your woman.
no make you touch your
Touch
shit
your
part.
woman, don't.
No make you touch your shit part.
I
I
know
don't
me-
want you to touch your
I
shit
know-
part and don't touch.
I know me tell him to touch it. I good. Touch it. Touch me
No,
again.
not touch your shit part.
Touch me.
Oh man, yeah, look.
Who?
You can't get a man like me. A man, yeah, look.
You look like man?
Me come with the whole package.
All when you're man, you're rummed. I mean, I like rummed.
Nothing wrong with you,
Wrong
bro.
kind of
Touch up
sweet
your sucker, you look
things.
smart if you touch what if a man me look. Me could have look you.
Touch her, make me see.
Huh?
Touch her, make me see.
Yeah, allow me to touch her.
Touch her, touch her.
Don't touch me.
Touch her, make me see.
Feet over
Touch
here.
her ex-woman in front of me.
touch
Let
me.
me see.
Are you telling me to touch her?
Don't touch me.
Touch her next woman in
touch me.
front of me, Papa. Make me
Lick
see.
in my face. How
You
you
know what?
clot
Touch
in
her,
me.
man.
Anyway,
Touch her.
anyway.
He's a free spirit. Touch her now.
Don't touch me. Go in your house. Feet over fear. You can't.
Me did done cook still, but
You can't fear me. You can't tell no lie for me for me feel no way. She knows say a lie I tell. Look you. Me when I look you, Jankro. What could I cause you now?
At
You're not
20
sister from me,
years,
see you.
me and she are
You're not sister
sister-in-law.
from me. See, you're the first one in
Thank
my
you.
life me see Costa living.
thank you. Finally somebody knows me a jankro. Dead meat.
Go on in.
Eh? Dead meat.
Cockroach. Look for
All
me.
right, me no want the arguing, you know.
Go on in.
Talk,
Yeah,
talk to
I said
it.
the
Talk to
point
Go on
of
it.
in,
the
my
head.
sister. Go on in.
Talk to it, you know.
Yeah, when she come in,
Me
she
no
will
want
talk to
nobody come on me yard come disturb me yard. You see how far she live. And she chose to come on my yard.
Hold on. Draw a pin. Who for yard?
Yeah.
you. Oh, no yard.
Yeah,
No,
yeah, yeah.
female
Go
own
on the yard. And my yard.
Uh-huh.
You come live in now.
Mm.
So remember that when you drop your pants in a drop position in
Remember I said when me come in, it was a plastic door you have, you know.
Go on,
And
come
you
and
put
sit
metal.
down.
the same plastic.
Dirty
You-
boy,
you-
go in.
Go on before you
Mrs.
rise
Tyler
the
tell
pressure,
me say
man.
when in the wash your
Me
hand
not
upon
ready
him, I be
for
your
you
shit then they
yet.
go learn to bathe and clean up.
Me
What you
not
good on
ready
your
for
shit.
you
yeah.
yet. When
Them
me ready
nasty
for you
drunk
later,
crap.
baby.
I'm gonna learn for read,
Later.
the dunce bat.
How we matter
Idiot.
about to go learn
You!
food?
All right. You see, if you did go in, she wouldn't.
You me and
You tell her
talk
about
to.
me?
Go on, baby.
Your El Bombo.
Go on. Go on.
Hey, cockroach, go in.
You have to see with him.
Me no
'cause
know- me no
sometimes
know
him chop
why.
hard. But why? When him good.
Me no know you go manage this idiot you know. Me no know how you go manage him. Yes,
Yes,
why,
I
do?
know you are managing.
Me no business. Me no know how you go manage him. And he lie. Must spend half
Which
whole
man?
lot money.
Which man no lie?
Like this one. Yes, one night time when me pass the bar and see him there, me go call you. I will hide down on corner. Me show you how he must spend out money for big girl so. So other day when you call me and they tell me say him come in junk and when I search in pocket not even $1. Me know him a do with it. So the next time me see him too, me no want you say a lie, me a tell pan him, me a care go myself, go show you him how him a galang.
Me no business, you know. As long as it coming at this year, then him do what him supposed to do. And me no see him failing in that part yet.
What you talk about? What you talk about as long as he do
Him
it.
bringing from me no go bed hungry. Chin no go bed hungry.
You could have get more
And
money
me no
if you
get
have
bed
sense.
dry. Me go bed with my belly full and my garden water. You
Okay.
think say them I use woman for years, you know.
Me
So it's
know.
about time.
Me
So
know, me
from
know.
me get what me want and chin safe and she
So
alright.
you know your
we
story.
good.
You know where we're going?
We do.
Me hear say a Popeye. Hope you my brother and kill him. That's why he get you. Cause he want you for a long time. You know your story. Me hear it big. That's why me not like him.
Can't take care say
I
go
saw me
court.
here.
Can't
Say
take
him
care
kill
say
my
go
brother.
court.
To be kind, it want you. So he hope you my brother and kill him. That's why he get you. When he
For
drunk
one
ask
me no
him.
under no
Alright,
good
you
over
see like how he
spell.
sober you now? He nah go tell you the truth. He when you get the truth out of them. When they drunk.
No, that's not true.
Okay. Anyway, me come go back on me there.
I go back on my belly, I calling him saying.
You hungry?
Him saying cook.
Oh, well, it's
You
called
want
about
something,
see shot. Me hungry like that, but me no want nothing from that. They dirty dog, they feed me. I make it move from you so.
Oh God. Oh, later.
Later, man.
Why? What a life when we get lost.
Ah boy, I tell Bossy a lie there. I tell Bossy a lie. I tell Bossy say, my foot sprained, me can't come and work.
So you can give me round two?
No, not really that. Me not talk about that. And money me a different. So Bossy say we're gonna send no money to you. So you see if he call you and ask you if my foot sprained for you, you say yes,
Yes,
yeah, ball.
it broke. Yeah,
Ball.
broke.
Just no, you can't say my foot broke.
Why?
No
You
plan.
get more money.
You know, you come like a, oh, you know what my foot them to walk with. Suppose now you go pray down.
Hold on, and you start it. Go on anyway. I want to hear what the money. Go on.
I don't sound like a chump change boss you up here. You go give me double up the money. So you know, relax, man. And then you go like I want big hunk of money. You think business place or business is broke foot nowadays and not funny in property me broke my foot?
You should have tell him that sometimes you have good ideas in a Popeye, but you not think them through before you go tell him.
And then when me go work and then when me go work tomorrow, no plaster, how you go?
Well, then the same sprain, you sprain it out of work. You should have sprained it in a work. You have some good ideas, you know, but you don't really think them through and follow them through properly. If you did tell him, say, you drop as you leave the workplace, or whatever you do for sprain your foot at the workplace, you don't realize you're going to get more.
You know, so sometimes I feel like say, me have to just sit down and talk to you because all of the pan is that or this or that.
I'm not to depend something. When I depend you, I'm not to depend something.
See your sister-in-law come here, because I want to know him come beg, you know.
Why you and she can never get on? It's a pain, man. It's a pain. What happened, sis? Yeah, man. Just stay here, clean up and thing before they... Move, dog, move! And then, you know, I come spread the rubbish everywhere. Yeah, right, though.
Yes, my mind just run by you know. I wonder if you're good as make your own money come fill in you. Feed. You buy some groceries or something, you know, so you're my niece, can. Yeah?
That's why I have to love you, you know. Oh, God bless you. But you know, so, no, man, hold yourself for good. We just go do a big shopping. Him even volunteer and help carry the bag. Then you want to see him carry bag and have to put down.
Come here. A while ago, me just tell you about Bossy. I go call you and say, I look a chump change. And your sister come and offer money to buy food. And you go tell him about how we have food stack up. You know, no sense.
So when that money I come, I lie you tell me.
Yeah, me call Bossy.
Oh, I lie you tell me.
But you could have collect for you, look work.
Stop being so damn wanga gut. People will poison you.
You can't do the next thing, man.
People will poison
We need
you.
it, we need it.
No. If you're going now, we're looking at our kitchen right here now, sis. We not have as much, but we're good.
Okay.
She'll work hard and she have to work hard to
She don't have no problem with it. She come and offer me.
You know how she get her money? And you willing to take her money and you don't need it? That bad. That bad. The woman work hard for her money, man. If you don't need it, don't take it.
That's why me I feel love you so as a sister-in-law. You're a good sister-in-law. You say, for some
How
sister-in-law,
easy that is?
shut up, me not talk to you. And stop this, sir. Not because you're a woman. I'm a sister-in-law. Don't talk to her. So you hear me I tell you? Listen to me. You're a good sister-in-law. You say, for some sister-in-law, or so, even for no sister-in-law, say, for some people, all when they have is so, till he buck, I touch his sky, then still I take you from you. Then whether them have and you know.
You have.
That's why I feel love the
Oh,
sign.
God. So
Let me ask
Let me
you
you know.
one question. The Prime Minister, right? He in a power, right? He have money and he still a take. How same thing goes.
Me not even bother want go there say no.
Yeah, Prime Minister, let me tell you something. Right here now, election calling you lose your seat. All your standing seats you lose. You talk to my sister.
Listen,
I know I saw some people
me know you
tan.
for a long time, for you, my brother did that.
20
And you
odd
is a
years.
good person. Stay the same way you are.
Thank you. You too. You too.
Anyway,
Don't
where my
wait.
niece there? Where my niece?
Chin,
Where my niece there? Me need to see her. A long time I need to see her.
come your auntie, come look for you.
Yeah, man, my stepdaughter look good today. You look good, you're shiny.
I wear this father got. Turn around, turn around.
She look good, man. She look
know
good.
what,
That's
She in
fresh.
the yard. She in
Look
the
good.
yard.
Oh, she not go up on the road in there.
No, man, she in the yard. She could never
Because me, I
some
wonder where she are going a batty rider.
They know what's
You
wrong
never
with that.
talking no car from me come me see you in a one little mini shots.
Are you
So it look
clothes?
like a
Judging
competition.
clothes.
It look like the two of them in a competition or where no they go?
Oh, Tasha.
I beat you now go.
Oh, you go shop?
Shop
Go
for
on,
what?
shop, man.
And we do shopping.
Look on this about
Which
her
aisle?
shoulder. Look on her. Look on she.
Which
She
aisle?
fall.
Big Tina aisle in there. Your stepfather struggling. Oh,
She a man? She a
How,
man? She a
Look
man?
there. Mini. And that you want to do.
Go give her a say, okay.
Left me to
Thanks,
stand like
thanks.
horse
Me
and
me
out
remember if you
Yeah,
tell
we
her to
never
me, I
have
said I
that.
go buy
woman
friends.
in a
Alright.
mini shot.
Hey, hey, Chin. Where you going so?
Where you going, Andy? Wait.
I Frank.
Listen,
Me I go buy.
after me there, so they talk to you. And you just tell me, say, in the yard, you're in that. Where you going, ma'am?
She go and buy the francs.
Say,
shop
start, this
just
mother,
there,
you know, your mother asked her, where they going at that?
And francs she go get, make she go get the
You
francs.
have francs already.
No,
What
the
more
francs
francs
we
you
not
want?
No francs for true.
Him have francs. Him no want
Him
no.
can't give my picnic francs, you mad?
She no want no francs.
Exactly.
You no
Only
want no
sausage,
francs.
only
You have
sausage,
francs already.
tin
That's why you know if
francs.
you go to the road, go get no francs.
Make she go buy, go and go
You know
buy.
what francs can do to you?
You say me can go buy.
Go and go buy.
Hey, Chin,
Draw down your clothes.
make the spit dry and you no reach home.
Draw down
And
your
your
clothes.
auntie I got answer to. Make the pit dry and you
Take
no
your clothes
reach.
properly. You really allow, go on, you allow her to go on the road like that.
Nothing wrong with that.
And her body is shake and sitting. And look there, the man take her away.
Go inside, man, or find something to do. Okay, you're annoying me.
My favorite in-law. My in-law.
Ask my sister for money. Go on. Do. Please and thanks. My sister come to me and her niece.
Amen.
And me tell her, say, we're good. She have to work damn hard for what she have. It's her heart and her good heart. Make she say, make me come check on my knees. Not even so much me.
Listen to her.
So make and me no beggar. Chin gone off and a beggar. Make me see you as what?
Okay.
Ask her for money. Go on.
A
Let me
borrow
see.
me, a borrow.
Let me see you borrow
A
money
borrow
from.
me,
Let me
a
see you
borrow.
borrow money from her.
Me no bank. Me no lend money. Me is not bank.
That's why we go stay poor.
You
We
poor.
don't-
You poor.
Back to the sender. Not my sister-in-law. She will never stay poor. Take can with your poorness. Where you mean we? Uno? Where they chat about? No make him mix you up in a them that kind of thing there.
650 US, my working and my chatting, bringing at this yard, but we could do shopping, you know.
Okay.
So just because me now go 9 to 5, me I work honest work. A 650 US, a triple what you bring in. So no bother come talk to me.
If you need to stress me out, Mona left somebody run bar. Me will stop a rum bar and drink.
Remember, what is good for the geese is good for the gander. So whatever you're doing in the rum bar, know that I'm doing it too. Remember that.
Okay.
So if you're
I see I
innocent,
broke you out.
well, and who broke you out? Who broke you out?
The Almighty.
Oh, so the Almighty brought me out too.
The owner don't mix up God name in now no nastiness and no baga baga.
No, me not do nothing nasty.
Me
So
never-
anything
me
him
never
do,
said
me I do
God.
it too.
I
So if
never
you're
said God,
innocent,
to
me
the Almighty.
innocent.
So the Almighty is who?
Father God.
Here again. Go on in. He come like the mini shots we have and I turn you an idiot.
Listen me. Baby, me put it away. H-O-N.
Yeah.
I love you. Right? You are my...
Sugar pie.
Eh?
Nothing.
No, me the other sugar rum. Because
Alright.
I love rum.
Okay.
So it's like when they get the bottle of white rum and me throw the sugar in there. Remember that time me throw the sugar in there, me and you rub love the whole night. Me under the
You have to
moon.
chat that man. You have to
Yes,
chat that.
man, how the sugar
Aye,
going
you
in the
talk
white
about
rum.
it and remind me. Go on inside, me
Yeah,
deal with you
I mean,
later.
the funny, for the highway 2000, I say, saddle up. Come in.
You need the sugar, man, because me notice you now saddle up as hard as like the first time. So come on, let me talk to all right. Let me talk to my sister.
Can you go give me your money?
Give home money. Give home money.
You
Go
go.
home money. Go on inside, man. Let me talk to my sister. How will you tell for phone? How will you tell for phone you? Who for phone you?
No,
Who for phone you, Papa?
I don't phone it.
Who for phone you?
You know,
Anything that the goose do, the gander do too the other way around. What is good for the goose, good for the gander. No, you do. I remember some woman, my name, you know. Me do it bigger and better than you know.
I want to talk to my
Remember,
sister-in-law. I want to talk to her.
bigger and better than you. A woman, my
you know,
name.
we go on the road.
Yeah, go on.
Me soon go pan
I
road
hope you
too.
went well, want to go for a
Me
long
soon go
time.
pan the road too.
Tell us something. Me ask something to tell you.
Girl,
You see that dirty roommate man that we have? Me they tell you a long time if you left him. Me see one good man where they ask me about your road and they tell me, oh, you look good. Oh, you're nice and he like you're here and he want to meet you and talk to you. Me they tell you if you left that dirty man here for a long time because this a man here, he tell me, say, he know have to do nothing at all with you. He will buy your car, house, everything. So I'm not sitting like a front in the look. He nah look no front. The
Well,
man
him all.
no,
Which
I don't
man
know.
a look
No,
woman
listen.
and a go give
No,
woman
he no say
things
he
without-
nah go have sex with you known tall, you know. Me mean say him is not the type of man where as in come try to push and things for you if you go down under your clothes. A man where we know if you treat woman, he will give you anything. But that no mean so no nah go do nothing. Me mean say he nah go give you things to get back nothing. From you and him there know say thing I
Them
go
the
go
man
on.
them still exist.
That if you know, one of them me find girl and a fame friend. They ask me if me no have no friend and he say he see me with some friend that day picking and know say I'm his sister-in-law. Afterward when he ask me about you, me tell him say you is my sister-in-law. And me go tell him say my brother did me not tell him say you live with no different man.
No spoil it. That's why me have to love you, you know.
Me not
'Cause
tell him say you live with no different
some
man.
people that take the two man for themselves. That's why me have to love you. Rate you, man. Rate you.
Good man, girl. You can set up your place.
Yes.
Master, it's like on New Year and New Year. this, you
New
know.
year, new
Ma-
beginning. This a
What?
career, you know. It didn't say.
Oi.
Hey,
No make it drop out of your mouth none time.
you see me an idiot.
Because you see this a man here where you have.
Hey,
Listen,
me
you
I
know
go
what?
get what me I go get from him until me line the other carpet. And you see when the carpet line and me say carpet can lay out and things and we just fling him away.
Anyway, this a conversation, yeah? We will finish it one next time because we go to road. We have signals to tell you, girl, come on.
We can't wait.
Show blouse and skirt.
Mamba, me glad me say no.
Come like a destiny third time now this week, you know.
Eh,
So you say go on.
you know see out and shop them me da go get some francs.
Eh,
Come go get ya. Or I can't talk.
walk on that sound good, but what you say go on now? Like a full time now, you know.
Eh,
Yeah. Long time I want dead down in it, no footwear doing no headwear, footwear.
we can't go now, you know.
No. What do you mean? Go to quarter over here, so yeah. Abandoned building, you know. The virgin, I'm calling long, I beg you, sitting man. You have a heart. You go like you're a virgin, I hear the road long time.
go on here,
My
so.
heart.
What
Our
hot?
You hot.
Our hot.
Maka you juke me while going on bottom boss.
You enjoy yourself.
Take out the mark out on your foot.
You enjoy yourself, man. You enjoy yourself. You enjoy yourself. Come, no man.
Bossy, you are one.
Come, man.
Going at town. Not going at
No, me not in a pushing bag. Come. No, hey, come, deal with it, man. You get.
A card. Bossy, a card.
Take a card.
Card, bossy. Card alone,
Give me
bossy.
card. You take. We can go tap and buy food also. Listen me. Me not have my stepdaughter for free. For
No,
go around.
but along
You see
the
what me
road,
spend
bossy.
for her, I do have to
Boss,
make
long
back.
time, you can't drive long time. You can't drive long
Me know that. Me no
Brand
business.
new- You know that?
Yeah, me no
I'm a
business
brand
with
new
that.
vehicle, boss. So me not have to pay for your brand new vehicle.
Look for my stepdaughter where she look nice. And my
Big man,
my
you know,
niceness
style.
a rub off on her, you know.
What?
My niceness a rub off on her. Look.
Yeah.
No, say so.
What you mean by that, sister?
What you mean?
You think a boy if he spend money?
Hold on, look here.
Yeah, sure.
Hold on, bossy.
So you show me camera for? What you show me camera for? Me need to ask myself.
What you tell bossy? You mean by nice is?
I show me myself in the camera. Me think I want woman here to show me.
No, yourself, boss. You can't tell me say you're nice. Man, a nice bossy.
You study well and
Yeah.
you study and teach well in life. You see
You're a
me?
teacher, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Our,
No, me talk to him, man. Me beat him, man. I beat him.
so
No,
druggy you take up.
No,
The druggy you chat
no,
to.
no,
Come here. Come here.
Come on, a big pitney now, you know.
my big pitney,
She
man.
passed 16, 15 long time, the way I smell.
Jaja. Jaja.
What happened?
Jaja. Hi. Tell me something wrong.
Our
Smell your
happen.
niece.
Our
Tell
happen.
me something wrong.
Me not like go no name down. Me like go up.
Hey boy. Am I daughter? You really got to do that with?
Hey,
You
boy!
do the do with
Me
the
not get none, me not get
Yeah,
none.
we
You
me not
use
get none.
condom? You use condom, boy?
Oh, no, me.
Huh? I know you. I know you. So
Come
hold.
on, something go on there, sir.
Eh,
Something
Me
go on
a
there.
idiot then.
you go there?
Me a idiot.
How I really go on, bossy?
What you do with my picnic?
Nothing.
What you do with my picnic? Me know me smell sex from my daughter.
I know me put it there.
Me smell sex from
Me
me.
say-
So are you? Are you?
Yeah, idiot.
Well, if I know you, are you? A two man me come see her with. My stepfather on you.
So, I mean, help you, man. I have to do a little thing sometime, man. I can't go to...
Jaja. Jaja, nobody move. With your robots. You know, say she's a baby to you.
Baby.
She's a baby to you,
Me
you know.
are just 20.
Oh, just 20. She not even reach 18 yet. A straight to station. Me a take you go.
Oi,
Straight to
oi.
station.
I'm at 17, you know.
17, she can't get locked up again.
Wait, hello. Look
She
here.
not gonna get locked up.
You
She
get
a
locked
baby
up.
to you.
Listen, Mrs. Steinla, listen. Listen to me, Mrs. Steinla. If you choose, she has 17. Eh? Me not think them all do nothing about it because.
But she not 18 yet. And him a big man.
Boy, before daylight, she go 18. Before 12 o'clock tonight, I feel you pick me. You forgot when she born? She go 18. So by tomorrow when you go station,
She are 18.
she go 18.
She get
Yeah,
an early
big
So
man
she's
present.
now.
17 plus.
So you're a big
Early
man
present
So
to
now.
give her.
oh, you shit for your dirty thinking mouth over there, you know, coming
Shut
straight
up.
to you.
You know, sister lad. I mean,
Come right here, son.
me in-law them
Stand up
attack.
right
Which
there, so.
birthday present you give her from early? Me I gonna give you something.
Sugar stick.
Hold on there, hold on there. Okay, so I want, wait. What
Shut
one
up,
right
your
there,
mouth.
so.
This is.
In the one up is saying do.
Oh,
so you do
sugar
something
stick,
with it.
sugar stick, you
Let
take.
me just hear them.
Yeah, no, she got to the store.
Yeah, come on to my house.
Sweet, yeah, sweet in
Yeah,
me,
come
so.
on to
I
my
see.
yard.
Sweet
Yeah,
in
come on,
me,
you
so.
pay.
You know,
Come
it's
on,
sweet
you
in cotton
pay.
candy.
Sweet, yeah,
Cotton
sweet.
candy,
yeah.
cotton
So you got
candy.
mine now, you got mine.
Hold on there. Me think me, when me just
Oh.
arrive, me ear say they no do nothing. What kind of sweet thing? What not that about?
Sweet in cotton
No,
In
man.
candy.
joke your niece.
No, with what?
Me no know, come on to she take up.
What? Ooh,
Come here.
listen me out, man. Nothing no go on, man.
Chin?
Probably.
Did you have sexual intercourse with this dopey bat?
Ah, take it. I take it.
Hold on. Me say if you did have sexual intercourse with this jackass.
Yeah, me give me.
Hey! Jesus.
No, that me mean fi say me no give me.
Eh?
Me mean fi say me no give me.
Oh, you mean to say you don't
Me
give?
no bother get it.
Oh,
Me
you
no
know,
bother get it.
this, wait.
Me no bother get
Me
it.
no give me, that me fi
So
say.
hold him and take it?
no, she
No,
said
you know
she
give me,
mean.
you know
go
She
on.
said after she said yeah me give him, she said no, a mistake.
Them
Me
I take
mean
with for
to-
Me no
idiot.
bother get it. Me no bother get it.
Cause me know what me smell.
Hey.
And then what them say.
No, probably she pee and never wipe it.
Boy, hey, move.
Do it,
Move
sis.
before me lick off your brain.
And you are like idiot to stand up there.
All you.
No, listen.
So hold on. How you come into this now?
I pass, and me see them and me talk
I
them.
plan you and him plan and go.
No,
Why?
no. When me talk,
Because
when
we
me
know
say
how
see
you
about
love
school,
money, you know.
College.
me they talk to them and me say, young man, she not ready for that. At college, she a go.
Me a senior go college joke. And me have money can't.
How you
No,
gonna do that?
no, shut your damn
How
mouth.
you gonna do that? And I dry up paper you roll your thing with. Use
Expensive.
paper that. I
No.
use paper.
Expensive paper
Man
is a
use that and lick that out already and it dry up and you do that again. And then you are gonna come tell me say you can't take care of my picnic. And if she breed you are gonna look after grand picnic. And you use recycled paper.
But no my opinion if you breed it. Me have it on me have it on feet.
You
Wait,
can't.
hold on there. What you say?
No, she has something I try to explain back on what she has said.
So you have sexual intercourse with my
No
niece?
yet.
What you mean now you say you have the mind?
Intention.
You have the mind.
In our
We can't
future.
deal with a cat
In the future.
When me get bigger, cons.
Wait, hold on there, my darling.
You know what on grand?
Come here, me honey.
Not for you.
You know what is love? What you mean in the future?
Of course, she know what is love.
Talk to her.
Lick off on your head out here today. So you involved in this accident?
No, but you ask her, she know what is love. So me tell her, of course she know.
Yes.
I'm a good stepfather. I love her like
So
my
you
own.
see something in a something. Me don't understand what they go on right here for now. Something in a something.
Nothing in something again. Something come out of
Hold
here
on.
for a long time.
Eh?
Nothing in nothing, mama.
Wait,
Nothing in nothing.
you hear what them have
Fine,
along with?
please
Nothing
go.
in nothing.
Come done.
No, you can't put that.
Hey, if I put her out on the road, mama.
You can't put her out on the street.
She look me in my eye and I lie to
All
me.
right, Mrs.
She
Tyler.
look me in my
Me know that
eye
when you
and
go-
I smell.
Yeah.
She thinks say me an idiot because me say all right go up on the road. I mean I give her the rope. I mean I give her extension. She like idiot I take the extension and thinks say me now go do nothing about
understand.
it. Eh?
Listen,
Eh?
I
I
understand.
come and I take man and I look at me and I lie in my
Probably the scent of
face.
smell, mama. Probably you not smell right.
Oh, you not talk to Mrs. Steinlaw.
Oh, cause you're shit
Come
me a
on, you
smell.
cut your
Eh?
eye.
From
Yo,
me touch me sister
Big
the
man,
other day me
I
smell.
might chat to this. You say me go home tonight, I see me a later with. You can't diss my woman.
Nah, this are boss.
No, you move from here so right now, because you diss my woman, I'm not like that.
You are going, yo.
Move and go on.
Huh?
I want to just sit.
Come up there.
Me take me two years and glimpse something that go on like a while behind Mrs. Steinlaw back. What kind of whispering on the pan? Something in a something in a
Oh,
something.
what
Me a
on?
whisper.
Hold on there. Something in a something.
Am I
Me want to
AAPPER?
know if something in a something so you know where they go on here. So you didn't know it said if you meet up or wherever.
No!
What they go on here so? Tell me man. Can you look like you
No,
you
man.
something?
Should I?
Me no know. You tell me.
Why would I?
I don't know. That's why me they ask.
Remember, I have a daughter of my own, you know. I wouldn't do this. I wouldn't do this. I have a daughter of my own going to school, right? And she have good
No
education.
wonder why. You never said nothing when she wear this come out on the road.
What you say?
You're
I feel her clothes.
Eh?
I feel her clothes.
Me I no idiot, you know. Me love think twice, you know. Something in a something, you know, my sister. But I
I told him, mother,
I don't
can't
want to
dress
judge, you know. I don't want to judge wrongfully. This man up to something. You hear me? I tell you.
Out of
Be
your
careful of-
sister-in-law, are you loving?
Be careful of them man, yeah.
How-
Have around your
22
daughter.
years, 7 years.
Be careful of them man, yeah, where they have around your daughter. And she, me know say she big enough. Few hours time. 18-year-old. She have sense. She know what she do. She know right from wrong. So if she want get to figure do whatever and open up the shop door and let any goods them in there, you can't stop it. All you have to do is encourage her. Tell herself to be careful of sickness, disease,
Yes.
or what they want to call you and pregnancy because
Yes,
she
while
not ready
she
for that
find
yet.
somewhere go.
But at the end of the day,
Like
me
how
hear
you
not so
put me
too.
up,
Shut
you
up,
can't go
have
with him.
manners. This thing while me hear this, you go, she go you can't, look here. Are you one daughter, Mrs. Steinlaw? You can't put her out on the road because
Liar than thief
Me-
walk
I
together.
know.
She, me work hard.
Yes.
And I'm
How you-
right.
how you-
Yeah.
Right?
Right?
Manners. When
And she look me
You
in the
can't
eye
show
and
my
lie to
stepdaughter.
me.
She have to stay there.
When you put her
Hey,
out
you
on the
don't
street,
have no decision what me
No,
and the
she
picnic.
is my breadwinner. She has to stay there.
How is my picnic your breadwinner? No.
I'm a
No,
daughter.
how is my picnic your breadwinner? Explain yourself.
I'm a daughter.
No, explain yourself.
Hold
What
on there.
work my
She's
picnic
a
do for
breadwinner.
you?
Yeah.
so she work and come money come.
So how?
Oh, she going to be a breadwinner. You don't understand when me send her to college.
Concentrate pan for your picnic. You just a brag and boast pan. And make me raise mine.
No, listen to him. You can't put her out on the street because you see when things happen to with children, them and we put them out on the streets, the other is a man them get abuse them sexually, physically, mentally.
abuse?
and all kind.
She just said
No,
she kill
not
him.
this. When you do this will happen now. If you put her out
Can't
on the street,
believe.
worse will happen to her. So just carry her go to doctor, check her up and make sure say she alright.
She alright, man. She don't need to go on a doctor.
Shut up your mouth.
Wait,
I tell you if I come outside when it comes to my picnic, go deal with yours.
But I'm a father.
Right. I'm the only father she know of it now. And I'm the best father of
And
the
you want
year.
her papa. Not dead when she a baby, she know her pa.
Yeah,
But
but
yeah, look. Go on and see me, you go call him and make him get up back. This is your stepfather, not your biological father. So shut the hell up.
baby.
Come and pull
Give
up.
her a little break. Go on, go relax yourself and shower up and change your clothes and lay down.
You all me know say, I just told me not sure yet.
You have your
Wait.
phone?
When puss come to show, we will find
Your
out.
phone.
You
As soon as I go up,
look
me I take your
guilty or
phone.
something. Yo, me just not sure yet, you know, but something is up your sleeve, you know. Something is something. You see, anytime me find out, me just want to make sure first. Me don't want to jump to conclusion before time. Listen, you see, anytime me find out when me the things say I saw you go, me and you are going to
Baby!
No,
me
me
and
can't
you,
defend
baby.
you because certain
me and
news
you,
I make 'em
I go
not
roll
like
down
it.
Emmanuel Road. That the kind of make sure so when me a think and so I go. Okay, me sister-in-law, me a summer go.
Baby.
So if you dey come still with me, you come, and if you dey stay and talk to the jackass, come dey warn about this man long time.
Long time.
Me suspect him. He look suspicious. This a man I look suspicious at everything he look guilty, but you say, "Cho, me can't prove it yet."
It's alright, my sister. Me give
Come go in
rope.
the yard.
Me give rope.
So what you asking her the wrong way?
Go up, me not care where she live. She can walk through shortcut.
Me no want him walk down there so. Me want to see me in my eyesight. Look a girl go up so. Go up that way there.
I told me see her the other day and she tell me about shortcut did so and she take this.
Yeah, but what if a boy around there so? Me have to monitor my stepdaughter. Me no want him go through when
So how
if
you
a
not monitor
boy.
your daughter like how you monitor your stepdaughter?
Cause if mama will pop off his head, me no have to monitor her. My daughter is very respectable. She is on a higher level.
And my daughter low.
No. I
Boy,
never.
me I warn you. You dey trick my sister. And you,
Baby.
No.
every time
Alright.
you baby.
Yeah,
No,
baby,
it's
listen.
alright.
Baby.
It's one
Don't
time
do it
at night
already.
if you call me baby and it's not no.
Okay, now worry yourself. Remember say you
Baby.
have business to talk about. So
So we have business to talk.
We
We
have
have
business
girls
to
talk
talk
and we have a daughter to talk to.
Okay,
So
so-
go bar.
Come in. No.
Go bar.
Bar can't stay for lost. Come go in and give her a good piece.
peace out.
Start you.
Later.
She say one go
Me
dirty
have-
man.
me I talk to
I
my
roll with
sister
the pan.
and me I go
And
deal
you
with
will
my
Tell your
daughter.
woman say in front of me. Come and talk to you. Come on.
Later, go to your favorite place and me I go deal with my picnic. Move.
Good for you. I go on like you want to take some too. Eh? Eh? Wait till I buck you one away and give you the anaconda.
Yeah, you know, early morning now. Best breakfast.
Oh God have
Bread.
mercy, I'm tired.
Daddy, how you going now?
You see you, me know you talk to me, you know.
What mean I'm talking to you? What go on?
You give me card with limit. Me not in them
But me
bullshit
tell you
there.
what go on already in a father. Me tell you say, rur.
Rule with her.
Eh? Give me catty man. Me lucky catty for good man. For me yard me I put in this time I must get card unlimited.
Unlimited.
Unlimited, daddy.
Who believe you?
You have to believe me.
Oh, I like it so now that's no man.
Every time I get Kelly get a good some money can actually spend hard.
No, listen no man.
Me I get Kelly like 1 3 mil pan. Pass it done. What you spend?
Which 3 mil?
3 mil pan the card, daddy.
I take it and feed that.
So what you spend today?
When me got there, 100 at the limit and me only get 50 out of it. So sure say you look like you
Money-
take 50
no,
already.
money
Or you
dip on
don't
it.
have nothing more
Money
money.
dip and you say you limit 100. They can't have it draw 50. That's what I say to you, you know. So me give me card, I say to you, limit where you can draw. Me give me have everything.
So,
But you
alright.
spend hard every day. You want to spend a bill so every day.
Alright, hear me out now.
Mm-hmm.
Me I go up and me I talk to her, right?
Yeah.
And me I gonna make you you get her later in the night.
Mm-hmm.
But I send the woman down the road and making whole up time down there.
Mm-hmm.
And delay her. So when I delay her, then I will come for you and carry her to her.
Yeah.
And I just spend some time, maybe 2 minutes.
2 minutes. I know what time at daddy. You give me one good 15 minute man, at least.
But we see, maybe we give you 5, I'm not sure yet, but me work out my brain while me do that, because my stepdaughter, you know.
Remember, you know, money talk and bullshit walk.
True, I like to talk of that. But remember, you know, a goal me have over there, you know.
A goal.
Goal me have over there.
Remember, I first time I tell me, I go screw no man. He car drive already, you know, a brand new car. No?
Me know that. Yeah,
See, you
man.
talk about a goal.
Me know that.
Silver. Can I pass brand?
And me say a goal, a goal.
You go there?
No,
So
me
you
not
know
go
say a
there.
goal. And if you can tell her what, a silver, can I car drive already.
A silver for you, a goal for she. No worry your head.
Alright, bossy.
Other man a get goal too.
What?
No worry your head.
Alright.
Yes. I come back. Yes, sir. I have a deal for you. You see the boy, Jawbone. It sound like he cashing me, I talk about $3 million on card.
I like.
So, I go for him later.
Eh.
And can come over here. Come we can sort him out.
Yeah, man.
So we can get some more money.
Eh.
But yeah, it's when he enter, you have to go like the at and push him out. Quick, quick, quick. You have to do them something, you have to know how to monitor things
Me know,
so you can get the money faster. You see when a man lead on a woman and the woman too, daddy, they don't get nothing. You have to balance the equation. You have to know how to quint it and how to pass it.
I not lie.
You understand? But me I was send your mother downtown and delay time. Because she love money, you know. So I make him go downtown. Baby.
Yeah, it's about downtown.
Oh, I tell her I said I send her downtown go pick up some money. Yeah, man.
Boy, you are, what, missus? You are going to send me downtown for pick up money?
Yeah, man. Somebody okay want money come give me. So I'm gonna send her downtown go
Yeah,
pick up
man.
some money. You see me? Just go to town, collect the money and you know. Bills have to pay, you know.
Excuse me. Get up, look it up.
What happened?
Oh, she has smell, so come on.
What happened?
Turn around.
What happened?
Just turn around.
What happened?
Hold on there.
What happened? What
Our-
wrong? What wrong?
Our.
What wrong with me stepdaughter? Me can't take him up and I spin him. I mean I like them.
Hello. You ask me one. Me can ask you one question?
Yes.
Are you would me a look on?
You could never.
Okay. How fun is this? A mine or a yours?
But my stepdaughter, my baby.
Well, if me
Hello.
as her mother not interrupt,
I step me walk on seat there. Turn around. Yes, to your girl little ass. Turn around. This is where you up to.
So what wrong with that
Breed by your
clothes?
mother. Soon breed by your...
What wrong?
and then
Sexy
see
shots.
exactly what is
What
wrong.
wrong with it? No,
Draw down your clothes.
But
Draw down your
every
clothes.
time Auntie Candy come here and check me out.
Alright, come here. Don't fear stay with me. Have manners. Look, you see how she rank? Look on the
love
clothes.
box.
More want to know see seat. Look the wrong side. She put. Look here. Tag out her door. See how you the
I
or
know style I'm wearing.
No, see there everything when negative. You're the panda side there. Watch a big old 18-year-old cost how much I when left for your 18. You're 18 now, you know. You know, but that's 17 again, you know.
So what wrong with
You
that?
don't know if you put on your clothes. What kind of battery rider shots them ya? You the wear if you come go to the road, if man come haul your way and sing thing. Listen to me. You is my niece and a college you feel they think about. You know feel they think about now. Them
You know,
kind
hit
of
me a talk to her about.
I hit me just a talk
I
about.
hit me a talk to me a Mexico
What
college.
How can I shut up?
That's why me I send her for the money.
Draw down your clothes. Let me see which man name in your phone. Open another ugly idiot job one name then.
That's a front phone, man.
How this? Who this?
Me.
Wish you. You look like man. Are you by?
Oh, yeah, touch
So you
that
look like
phone
man
for-
now. You look like man. You know but my niece again and you know but name Chin. Who this? Cause this one a different funny what? What is wrong with you?
You know, see me I come out to the way.
Who this?
You want
Me.
it, not true.
Are you?
Eh.
So you do sitting there over? Eh?
AI,
You do
AI,
make up.
AI.
AI.
AI, new making. You just stand up in front of the camera and say, just take a picture and just change the image.
You better shut up your mouth about your in
What you
You
woman?
make-
You make your jackass stepfather they turn you in a one piece of idiot and one piece of clown.
No, not say that. I'm the best stepfather in the
Boy,
world.
you down the road the other day said, this a dopey batty where you have, I make money off her, your daughter. Me no know when they do. Me hear say in they make a lot of money for she.
When?
Okay.
How?
You.
Where?
You don't think about
What
college.
exactly you here? How him a make money off of my daughter?
Well, let me spit it out. Cause let me spit it out of my throat because it look like I say everything him tell you. You take it from one different level and I think say, yeah, I saw you go. When I know saw you go. I line they tell. This are Ginalia. They sell out your daughter to man and they collect money off her.
Yeah.
Him.
Hear me? Let me
Take the
ask you a
phone
question.
from me.
Let me ask you a
You
question.
must know. If you go make she keep your phone. When time you don't talk to you, take your phone from her and look what you see.
Me not do it because when me tell you say me want her out of my house, I talk and say,
Hello.
no,
Hello.
it's the worst to you, the worst to you, the worst to you
It's too
can
late
do.
for that.
She a
She-
woman,
Like for
She a
run around
woman.
that
she a
different.
woman.
She a woman. She's 18 now.
She reached 18 now, but,
Yeah.
but that not
And
say.
you, if me ever find out say it's real thing, you know, cause me like to take action when me know for a fact.
Lock him up!
Lock up what?
You see,
Oh, yeah,
you see,
hey.
you hate me for your passion, you know. How you
Me
got
know
me
say
for
for
look?
a long time me
Eh?
Me
hate
eat you
you.
for passion. Me not eat you for passion. Me not eat you for strawberry, kneesberry, strawberry, raspberry. Me not eat you for none of them, not even mango. Me eat you like a poison.
You see type of
And
style
that
of
is
style how
for
you
a
have.
reason.
Me eat you like a poison.
You see type of
Oh, me eat you
style how
like
you have.
passion. You could
Let me
ever
teach you
be
something.
passion?
You can't
You can
follow
compare yourself to
family.
passion?
Me and you, we blood stronger, right?
You're not related, you know.
So what you
Some
say,
want
me
to know
dealing
if you and her
the
blood.
incest now.
What? Me not
How me
understand.
and you have more relation,
that me ask you.
Because me and you connect. To me, baby, you like the music that Vice Cartel sing every time.
Yeah.
Me born yesterday and me born big.
No.
Shut up! Nobody not
Oh, wait
speaking.
a- wait a-
If
wait a-
you ever-
Say
if-
a time fi mommy left you.
So
Me,
what?
me not do that, man. You
Yes,
know that.
man.
Me
Yeah,
want,
man.
me want
Big
see
up
the day
yourself.
name day.
You not going to do that because you love me. You love this man. Yeah. This man I give
What are
everything
we
you
here to take
want.
up for this a stepfather? Yeah, what so?
This man I give everything you want.
What sweet
All
not
you
what
do,
I go
you
run
want me
our
to say?
belly?
Now run mine. I me
Eh?
done
Mine
cross
neither.
my
You see,
fear already.
she going to be a downfall.
Who
Allow
go
me,
be who go
allow
be
my
downfall?
sister-in-law.
As
Let
much-
me say me know her longer
Back
than
to
me
the
know
sender.
you.
Back to the
And she
sender.
not give
You
me
are gonna be
reason.
see her downfall.
Rebuke back that.
Back to the sender in the name of Jesus. Look on you. Look at
Tell
you.
her. She grudge you.
Me
Because she can't find a man like me.
Me rotted.
That is worst. Bye, stop.
Whoa.
Stop.
Can't find none.
Stop.
No man in a store again. The rest of man them then go on the wrong side. Or then they heat on the table.
Find this idiot here. No man no in a store again. You did a look for
No,
man in a store.
Ah,
you
supermarket,
realize that
she
when him
bought me.
chat, him
What
a
you
chat
mean
too
no
much.
man no in a store? You did put on man in a store or you did a look for man in a store?
No, I
Or
was,
you find him in a store?
I was in the supermarket and she was shopping and short of
Me know this a woman here.
money.
She not
Shut
look,
up.
she not look here. You can't look her.
No, you know what
Yeah,
it is?
yeah,
You
I
know
pay the
what
bill
it
and
is?
look her, yeah.
Him chat to so much woman, he can't keep track and remember who him a chat to and how he meet and how he's what. But me a watching, you know, and me give plenty rope, and me give enough rope for
Me not
hang
cow.
yourself.
Me not goat.
Look, you're going like you don't
Carry on
understand
it.
what she has
Carry
said.
on, take the extension,
Act like you don't
man.
understand what she has said.
No, man, you know.
Why you always in our business?
Yeah, because I'm a sister-in-law. Me now watch her. They go down the drain to go sleep
Yeah,
in
but
no hell.
I'm a future wife. We've been together
You don't even know
8 years.
what future mean, much as wife. Are your future knife? Because she still put off that damn blasty day when she
Hold
find
on,
out.
let-
When me they tell her, say I saw you go. Anytime she find out what me say, and she can prove it, you will
Remember,
find
say,
out.
me's a watcher, me not chat.
You will
Me
find out
watch and me do.
after.
Yeah, go down turn
Oh,
and
when
take
you
up
office
money.
about
Next
this
for
a
me.
shot, say, come round after to me. Look there. Man, you there, look. So two years 18 your face, your mother can't talk to you again.
You
And
see,
as far as
you
you're
want to
concerned,
tell your daughter how
and
your daughter for jail.
shut up, and your stepfather, you dey listen to me. I talk to you, you know. Me come to me.
And I in a yard me dey.
Right.
I know
Right.
and
What
that you do.
is
And that she do all the while. Put on the shots in her
And
yard,
then find
and then
excuse.
she
Come and
find
go and
excuse
buy
and go.
oil.
Oh,
And then me go and buy francs.
okay, thank you. So
I'm
your
a born
mother,
big.
your mother know idiot, you know, but you see true, you know why your mother not clot you down? Because you reach certain age now, she just left you for certain things reach you, because you don't listen.
And when it reach her, I will protect her. I'm the
Right,
stepfather.
yeah.
I'm the man of the house.
Anything that what make everything about my niece and everything where her mother say about her, you have to say something like I say, when she was, you are gonna do what?
Because she will be the future doctor.
Well, whatever is whatever, can me wash my hands long time. Me no want nothing happen to you.
Anytime
And
you
me
hear,
pray God protect you. But you see the path you walk in,
tell her.
me talk, me preach, me
Okay.
give example, you
Okay.
grow and you see what your mother
Right.
got through.
Good.
And you still decide for what you
Good,
path.
good,
So I
good.
pray God protection for you, but me not worry upon her no
My
more.
sister-in-law, you see, anytime you see stepfather, I saw they say their name, stepfather. And next to father that, him could have be our biological father.
Amen.
Stepfather, amen. Boss it.
I'm
Yeah.
glad you know.
But you see, uno dirty dog, amen. When you ready, you turn around and look on your stepdaughter, amen. When you ready, you breed off on your stepdaughter, amen. When you ready, you this one, you pick me and trick them and want to come analyze them, amen. I presume you figure after. And judge fi sentence you to death and you know fi come out.
We are
Amen.
Amen. What make every time our mother say something to her or me as her auntie come and encourage her about the good? You just say jump down and they go on like I say you want. You know, I me this and I me that and I me a stepfather. We know fi
We
say
are
nothing
do.
to her.
Rebuke it.
Rebuke her. Rebuke her. She are 18 so you soon can use your dirty brain pan we and tell you about me and mother only did there. Me and her not related, so we are not family around that and nothing. You drunk her? You see, any day me find out, say, although my niece are 18, you there with her mama and left the mama and go there with the daughter.
Why would I do that?
Move out of my way. You see, when me done with you, give me this. You see, when me done with you,
Go on, take her out of here and go deal with
heaven
them.
came down and glorify your
Please,
soul.
take her.
Because when me done with you, no more here, no left on your front because I'm going to and when I'm done with the machete, and saka,
Me feel it, me
you're
feel
not there
it,
with
me
no more
feel it.
stepdaughter, no more woman,
You
and
know,
nobody.
pretend for
Me feel
feeling
it.
I do it.
I saw me, I go
Me
ask
feel
and I
it.
saw me, they go do it. So,
Stop, me feel it, me feel it, me feel it already. I mean,
so
I get
if
it.
you know, say, you have it in your intention about me niece at 18, so, and me and her mother never nothing, I just tell me the, and that and nothing. Lie they tell.
No,
When I roll you up there so and I saw me a saw I mean not talk
Me feel it, me feel it. All right. Me feel it. That now happening.
come in and know make every time we talk to her no
Alright.
I mean
I need talk to her anywhere you want. Talk to her. Go inside. Go inside. What gonna do this something? Take her. Go on.
you know I'm
Go on.
on the yard
Go on.
You must say I got rain, man, because me,
Come,
I forgot to collect money.
Oh God, thank you, Jesus.
hey my sister-in-law girl you know say me not trust your man
The two of them, me not trust.
me not trust your man girl because every time I go road that dirty man where they with me sorry if they I not really disrespect me but me just want you to understand.
You wouldn't say it.
But him, me say that man there, he no only drink rum. He name in so many things. So many
Mix up,
things I wrote.
passa, man.
Me say, girl,
What's that woman?
me
I
no
watch your
like
woman.
his style and me don't trust him. And he mouth full of pure lie. And me notice anytime me come to you at your yard, anytime at all, from ever since, he always have something to say like him. So he knows me hear something about him for you or when
And
you
I
me
panic
tell
and
us
I try get in there before
yes,
you can
I try
say
cut
it.
the argument and I go upon one different
Me
story.
notice.
Like, want me tell you because he knows so when me I say a true, He knows so when me I say a true. Only because me not see with me too yai, but me always a hear. So, what could have cost if every time me I hear something about him? So, remember saying no do me not need no?
Me
You feel
like
say-
to move with proof. Me
That's
I
why.
watch. And me have my set plan for him. Him not know, but me have my plan for him.
That is the reason why me tell you a long time. I remember if me don't know if you remember when me I tell you say I do not trust him. I me suspect him, but me just can't prove
Put
it
your
yet.
finger upon it, yes.
But listen, where you do the road? How long you call me on the phone and tell me about your man tell you say you fi go on a road and you can't stay as long as you want. You see me send you a road so long?
Hey.
Suck me in a
Of
something.
course, then the must be born big man.
Suck
Me
me in a
born
something.
big.
Which man you
Because-
see a send out them woman a road and they chat about they can turn long as they
How
want.
him
And
love
when
money.
you feel like to come back, you come back.
How him love money so? And I send me if go pick up money from Parkside. Him not even tell me who me for pick up money from, you know.
What you say? You say
Him
you
not
have to go
even-
pick up money?
Pick him send me
I thought me say if
fi go
him
pick
send-
up money. Cause me born big. Him not realize say me watch. And me give the low up. And you see when me fling it so and fling it so, him go east and me go west. Me have my plans.
So-
So you go give me certain numbers and things. I'm
Put
plans.
2 and 2 together, what me did I say? You trust this man?
Me not tell you, don't
So,
tell you, say
wait
me
there.
I make my plans already.
So hold on there, in things say I idiot, in take you, send you
Me
a road like
farm
some little
food
picnic.
for catch wise. Sometimes you have to do that in a
You
this
know-
your life, Candy.
Listen, you know what I do? You know like when time you live with one man and you dey hide and have another man and you don't want your daughter or your son to tell their father because you carry the man come at the man house where you and another man live. So you don't want the picnic carry no news, go tell the father, you send the picnic a shop, go and go buy sweetie or go buy ice cream and you can play with your friend.
And
Them.
them
And that thing they do to you.
Him not realize say me write the book and fling with the t-shirt long time.
And that thing they do to you, how the hell if you send you big woman? We have experience that they with man, we always a tell lie. Him take you send you go road, but if you go collect money. Who you go collect money from? Him ever send you go collect money?
How him love money.
From where and
Money
from
ain't
who?
God. Money and rum ain't God.
From where? And from who? Where you get the money there from?
Exactly.
Me not understand this.
Exactly.
Me-
It's all right. Me have my plans. Long run, short catch. Me have my plans for him.
Am I the name of that? Watch
You
ya.
see that now?
Like him a talk to
see that
himself. No,
And
wait
that,
there.
I
Me I look if me niece they know about you, cause she will turn up with him, you know, and run go hide. Me not say she out here, but all this a man a just turn up so as he see they come and they look up in a ear and smoke and they look up in a sky and they chat to himself.
and they me pray for her and thing, but
Smoke
me
too
stop.
much, you don't know what
Me stop.
Make we take time and go over there go question him. Come on.
What you need? Belt? No. A belt you need?
Oh man, I finger work.
So you gotta look after my daughter and you can't even buy clothes to fit or I sell your maga down since you can't eat.
What do you mean by?
Well, how you stand up and road and have to
No,
hold
I'm
up
say-
your
I'm say
clothes?
a young
Look
boy,
on the caca
So we're a young boy, the mama say you put on a shirt.
Wait, she not gonna
Big
lose
banana
weight
left on
with
a
you,
shirt,
man.
Say put on-
She not gonna lose weight with you.
Lose weight with who?
Well, look how the clothes drop off for you. Me not even got that, you know. That.
What kind of dressing
What do
this
you
you
mean by
do?
that? Mama was saying, say, a morning breakfast, man.
Okay, so that chin in a
Hey.
Okay.
Remember say me and no friend for a long time, you know. Remember say me and you are no friend for a long time. Be careful how you talk to me sister-in-law.
Me not talk
What
to
you
her
mean?
now,
No call her no mama. She's not your mother.
Auntie.
And she and you not related. She and your auntie.
Miss.
Okay,
Empress.
that's better. Listen to me.
You know what I'm saying?
You see crosses where one coming out in our family. La.
Lord, what is that? This the boy.
Look how him dress.
It's so. I mean,
Them a little dirty
hook
butter.
him name
No,
now.
listen, mama. See there. You know, so we are decent, but it show sometime we have to just live a little life. We can't just live like say, yo, you know. No watch that man. Look on that man. That put on already. Look on
You
that.
see where you need a be in hand so? Them a dirty boy one come there with my niece and
No,
spoil up my
look at-
niece.
look at-
All them a drunk you do.
Me
Dog,
done
me not
shed
chat
my
to you.
tears.
Although me can't take
Hello.
care of auntie, you know.
Hello, take care of
which
which.
your niece, your
No
niece.
take, you
Sorry
can't take
about
care of
that.
nobody
What
for
you
me, not
mean?
even
What
my
you
dog
mean
and me
by
yard nor me puss. You can't take care of them.
You know, see,
Listen
book,
to me.
You have to read the book.
Hello.
You have to read
Hello.
No, sir.
You see when me a talk? Listen. I am not talking to you. I'm just talking about you. Hello, you see him? You see them a little dirty butterfoot boy, yeah? Them a little rubber tail idiot. Yes, man. She's chick, man. Only thing they do is turn up on roadside and rub out them and
What
make
you
us
mean
so.
by yes man and Swiss
And
man?
drink. As me come, me smelly rum. And drink rum. Them not like work. All them do?
Listen me out, mama.
No, me no want listen you out.
me out, man. What you
You
mean
hear
me no
me
want
in.
work? What you
You
mean me
hear
no
me
want
in. Me no want listen you out. I'll see the rum cup,
Look,
lighter.
auntie, you see your niece,
Weed.
your daughter. Remember, you know, she young and she nice, you know. She not pick up no broke pocket money, you know. You see me broke, she not look for me, you know.
Me rock a piece
So
of
we
wash
can't
over
look at
chain the contract,
Yeah,
but
man,
you
look
know,
for
me no
it,
pick
yeah.
up no broke man. Look here,
custom,
all they
man,
do.
I'm a-
No, man, a custom Christmas
Custom.
crackers.
Custom.
You know
Need to
them
find
Christmas
a
crackers that
name.
you
Yeah,
pull
you
out
want
with
just
the
say?
tie?
Custom, my
Custom at
friend.
true, at custom, at airport in get it with the custom them in when them a search people.
Half a
Listen,
ICE. Me pay
Half a dead man.
250 me pay for it.
I must have a dead man, 'cause dead people
$2.50.
they on the ice. Listen.
USD.
Okay, $2.50
So they find
USD.
good
Don't make him
job,
turn you into
boy.
no idiot. You
And
see them a
this
little
no.
low class idiot boy ya. We want to spoil up my niece. All them do is stay a roadside and beg them bridging $100, a lighter, a whistler, and a spliff. Half of them beg them friend weed. Them a look to them friend for whistler, then lighter. They not have nothing for themselves, you know. No, look for him how he dress from the head to into a kuya. Who there every day me see me in a 1 foot of socks. Look for him. Look there, matter in your hair and ticks in your body. Look like you're not being trauma.
Hold it up, hold
You
it
look
up.
like
Me
you
no
not
want
being
to-
trauma.
Me
Watch
say
it.
me no, me no want to drop. Hold up
American
it, hold up
eagle.
it. No sir,
You
a
see how me
Jamaica
a
with-
wear Hollywood
hold up
stuff?
it man. If
Banana
you not, it look like
palm
say if
Fear
you not
about
hold up.
American
Watch
eagle.
out.
That
My
is
polo
fake.
we are wearing
Don't make
friend.
the American people here chat
too
about
much.
American
Oh,
eagle.
God.
That is not the real American eagle. That's a fake eagle. A fake eagle.
Got 2 grand pay for me underpants, you know. 2,000.
A thief in thief.
God.
Him is a
No
liar.
broke boy can't wear 2 underpants, you know. No broke
You have to
boy.
wear two because when one drop, you have
Listen,
to.
no broke boy can't wear 1 underpants.
Hello. I not broke have nothing to do with this. Anybody can wear all 500 pounds. You know the reason why you have to wear
afford
two?
it.
A boss me you have and you have to the whole up here. This a dirty boy a boss.
I 2 grand for me underpants.
Fear who
So
cannot
confident.
hold in one pants because you're carrying a mule thing there and you want to constrain my niece.
like that.
Yeah, you will like it. I will hold it and cut out it. Like what? Eh? You can't laugh about yeah, like it. And what? You
laughing
find me
stop.
attractive too. What do you? Me hold and cut out that.
Cut out what?
Cut out that there. When me hear say you dey put where you know fi put,
Yeah.
you put in on my knees. You draft my knees drawers. That panty I buy give my niece. And the tear me sip on it is your fingernail. When I test the panty with me tester, is your fingernail left on it,
So
the
you know say that's my
fingerprint.
fingernail.
Because she
Hey.
says she only have one man and it's you where she are crazy over.
And you
so I
believe
fear
that?
name.
You
She
believe
a call out
that?
in her sleep at night time.
What's my name?
Jawbone. Your name is Jawbone. And it's
love me
sweet you.
She love.
It's sweet you there. Hey.
She love me.
Well, clap this tea. You see the
What that
next
mean?
time you go
What that mean?
near,
What that mean?
you soon know. You see the next, you soon find out. The
Clap
next
this
time you
tea.
go, yes man. You see the next time you go near my niece, with that they down there so, where they give you problem and you can't
You not give me
control
no
for your
problem,
private.
man.
You see when me holy and put it on the piece as all billing black with the over me, sister. Yard.
hold on,
And me
Candy.
take the machine.
When you say holy, bring it in little. You
Like
give
me
him
draw you out
No,
so.
you give him too much credit, man.
No,
The board
man,
can't
never-
so big.
What?
The keyboard can't
The
so
board
big. You have
can't
to
so
short-
big.
you have to shorten the board, man. Shorten the
mean?
board. You give him too much credit.
I chop me, I go chop off that.
You go holy.
Hello, you take it for joke. Hello, me I go chop off that.
So me go use it from chop off.
I don't care what I want to use, as long as I don't have nothing to use for my niece. Go and find something else to
See what they
use.
say? You want song say if you have in your waist, you use it. I can't use my face. My face too tough for that. I can use your waist.
Which waist? Then when me done with you, you have no more waist?
Waist alone.
Your uncle go have waist, not waist. Because your uncle just to be a waist man. You,
Gonna be.
after that.
What kind of
So,
waist man?
wish Tande, you so know for that day. Flashy. Flashy no, because it'll give you a problem. Flashy, it'll give you a problem. You see when me done deal with you, you sorry the day they take out you and put it in another hole there. Wrong hole, my niece. Go find another
The
hole.
wrong hole, I
Business.
bad hole. It's a good hole, a silver hole.
You know, seminar Tanya and listen to this kind of
How you crab at them a dirty junker in your yard? Eh?
It's a love, it's a true love. You know, can't
Ah, my
stop
sister, they tell me, oh, comes
Okay.
our daughter, they ball out in name,
Yeah,
them a dirty
mean,
dog, yeah.
a true love, they call
You
it
should have
love
shut
from
her
so
back
far.
and make sure we wake up all
Why?
nicely.
Me no business. Me tell her so me want her out to my house and you and her step papa. I said no.
take her
Me
out,
nah
Because
take
you
back me talk.
and him can raise on the
No,
pressure.
listen,
Done.
listen, me nah go take back me talk. Me nah agree with you.
And me
No
not take
talk.
back mine.
Me nah go agree with you. No talk. Fi
Put her
send her
out.
out on the road. Put her out because
Put
you
her
want
out.
take her in.
You mean just
Put her out because you want take her in. Yeah, beat your chest because your chest hard. You see,
hot now
me
this
say,
time.
you see any day me done with that face, yeah? If you stop deal with me niece, you go find out. You better move from in front of me. Move, Jankro.
But lady,
Move.
Me ugly
You
as a-
turn back. Move.
You're a real young fool, you know.
You turn back. Want me
I'm
give you
a
one big
real
stone?
young fool.
You want me give you one big stone today? Me say if you want me give you a big stone, you soon know if everything
One
good.
stone
you
to the
soon,
next stone.
you soon know,
You have
you
time
shouldn't
and
move.
listen.
You shouldn't move.
Come, you have time I listen to it.
Alright, boss, yeah, I'm gonna talk to my daughter. So relax, the soon come, eh?
Deal.
Yes! Stepdaughter, my one and only stepdaughter. Yeah, talk to you. To job one, you see me? Yesterday, you know, he give me the card and they tell it today, say, in the kind of max, so look a bit funny. So, me never really get much. So, me I go call him, you know, out the door. And you and him, I go make a thing and do a thing. You see me? So, I want to know this. Panic and start him out good so he can tap up more money for the car. Because remember, I'm saying the mother from day, you know. Ghana town, you know, me want to stay there, want to take on long hours to come down.
Yeah, man.
Can we tell him about money, you know, what no money not did, eh? So, yeah, I'll short him up right now.
Alright.
Come in, my boss, come in.
I'm general.
Come in. So, you know.
We say go on up, brown then.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so,
Nice though.
Thanks.
remember, you know, 5 minutes.
5 minutes, bossy.
Yeah, man, 5 minutes.
That
Never
too
tried.
short.
That may I try explain to him. But me what try.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Listen to me. Nobody go for the although me say that I go for the foot. So it's clampy and
Yeah.
I know condom me can't clampy.
listen to me, man. You want me at
Me I hear up, boss. Okay? You bust me, you know. Bust me, you know.
and
So me can't hold it.
when they done
5
work,
minutes.
give me a card again. And this time nobody put no limit on it.
Mm-hmm.
Nobody with the limit
Yeah.
business.
None of that.
A goal you get, you know.
So I buy me a buy front.
No! You take your eye.
But I she very big care and get money. So
No, me are parents.
Yeah.
Me are stepfather, so me control the debit.
But I know
No.
things I buy still a regular day still. Me not say nothing.
You see me, I tell nobody.
But you have to about more money.
Yes!
And me tell him if he says
She don't look pretty.
I mean,
She-
nice and pretty.
Okay, so what you come with? What prettiness come with?
No love.
cost.
Listen, we no love none there again, yeah?
Alright, boss.
Not even the dog where you chain and carry your yard, no love your picnic, then yam up your picnic one day. Tell her that. Learn that in your head.
Me I hear what you say, but we say 5 minutes, bossy.
5 minutes. Me
Me
a
not
ti-
get-
me a time
me
you.
can't give me car this time. I give you cash. I give the dog.
Oh, you have cash?
But tonight I get it though. I forgot a bank.
No, man.
No play them game there. A card no need tonight. Take care.
You come like a business man, but a normal price still.
Oh, time up, man. Time up. Wagwan. Everybody put on clothes.
The bossy man, hello. We just don't mean to go still, but they couldn't give me a time, man. Me
Oh,
find
come
my
in.
man.
Oh, no have on clothes. What the money? I money me a defend, you know.
You know, put extra
What's
pan
the I put me I get extra thing, man. You want it?
No, listen to me. At time for you go now. So the money me want. Come.
But me just get live thing, you know, bossy.
No, listen. I don't want to know where you get this, you know.
No, you know, I'm going to say thing nice, bossy. Me love you, bossy.
Yeah, you love him. You don't want business about that.
Me I give you 50% extra, bossy. How that sound? 50% extra for what me I will give already, bossy.
Forget more.
Just forget 5 minutes more.
No, me not have 3 minutes right now.
1 minute.
No, you mad? Come.
Just put in and take it back out.
No.
How you look for?
Jane!
Yeah.
I want you to watch you play them yet. You must watch them show and tell them in my yard. You must watch them. Come. There we go. Honestly, come in here, sir. I look so suspicious. You wash up?
Huh?
Yeah,
Oh, God. You
do
come
the-
back? You did collecting money for me?
Me never go so far because I want to know where you see me so far for.
So,
Well, Andy.
you know reach at town? Oh, yes, you couldn't reach at town, so good.
Yeah, I wash already.
So I can never tell you the place. And you as stepfather the year. Why
We
you
just
look
come
so-
in tired and restful, you know?
And why bed looks so
And me head
bragger
never
and
hurt me,
sick?
so me do.
Oh.
After me done do what me do.
How?
Every minute she
No,
come and she
sir.
has to mess, man.
No, sir. How? You this
Let
one,
me
yeah.
smell the
You want
alcohol.
just say, but every time you come here, you smell of what?
Can me smell sex again? Me smell it out the street. Lift that up. You really bring man in here?
How if you bring man in here? I mean, how if you bring man? How am I smell? How am I smell? Me clean.
Me know what me smell. So you go meet the drunk boy out of seat and go do it at that
So you really go for the road go meet man?
But me
You
not
smell
smell it.
frozy, my girl. You smell a fish bank again.
You really go for the road go meet man? I'm telling you all if you yard look girl. How you do
I
that?
can't do this no more.
How you do that?
When they tell me for make she's Tanya, but me can't do it no more, man.
No, man,
Can't
she
do
have
it
to
no more.
stay,
You
yeah.
I just
disrespect
lie
me.
down, me did I lie down and I watch show.
Backside.
Lie down and I will try and smell a
The
sex.
scent I get higher. Me I smell it. No, me never smell nothing. I wonder what make you did that chat but
You smell it now.
me wonder what you did that talk about, but me smell it.
And when I smell again, we you smell? Me look like a man that lay down with them picnic.
Something funny, something fishy,
Oh,
something
she's
fishy.
like my picnic.
But she's not your picnic.
I'm a blood same way.
How
it don't
you
matter.
smell like sex, so? And I just you and him there.
Oh, you smell like?
Never threw me that skelly fish them out the door.
Oh, most likely if it's
I'm real fool, they
most
take me
likely.
from. I'm real
Yes.
fool, you take me
You're smart. Most likely
You're
it's true.
straight.
Check them blasted mouth.
Yes,
Long
scale
time they
fish.
watch you know. So what you want to say? Fear woman, no know the scent of fish, so who for front of smell like fish? Because she just hold on her head, her daughter, she have right to smell anyway upon her. You tell me that she fear front smell like fish? Hey,
They
a
think
fish-
so you're
a
real
fish in that
idiot,
scale
you know.
make she smell. Hey,
They
God.
think so you're really
No, man.
idiot. And the only
But it
reason
makes
why you
sense.
still breathe is coming to smell nothing pan you. I mean, no, for your scent. I mean, to smell nothing pan you. That's why you still a breed. But we want to know. You have a few seconds to tell me what one.
How many bucks?
Sinus.
Papa,
Eh?
You just
Sinus.
suffer
Yeah, man.
with sinus.
A sinus,
No,
man.
I said no.
you know me hear somebody just
Me hear
sneeze
somebody
now.
sneeze.
But hold on, me hear somebody sneeze. Me backside.
How what is?
Wait, hold on. Sis, you have pussy here?
Yeah.
I don't think. I put stop it. Right.
No, if me ever come over here, no.
I post it
Hold
too.
on.
Put stop it.
Hold on, so you have pussy here?
Me not. You know, so me allergic to puss.
But
Me
me
can't in the yard.
Hold on, yeah.
Outside the dumpy turn to dog now.
Hold on.
Ringo.
Hold on, come, turn around. You have puss and dog here, and you not tell me how much dog food me dash the other day in I bin?
Come dash it under here, sir. Come out, Mr. Dog. We ready
Hold
for
on,
you.
hold on.
We want something
But
else,
listen,
man. We
but
want
the
something
sound, the
else.
sound a come from under the bed.
Me, that's why me ready for the dog or puss. Don't be come out from under the bed
The
right
man
now.
with the underneath the bed, me I beg you to come out right now.
Come on.
In town rat.
Mr. Rat, come here. I
Come
got
here.
kick. Hey,
No, so you never buy no rat pies.
me and the rat poison. Since you're the cheese, me and the rat poison.
I wish
Come out.
I must man on that bed no, because we don't have no rat. And we don't have no puss.
The man with
And we
the
don't have no
underneath
dog.
You not ramp no more, man. Come out from under the... Are you?
Baxter!
Are you?
Where are they?
Come out. Come out.
Where are they?
Where my shit?
You got season
Where are they?
your today.
house.
Where are they?
House, now you them.
Where are
You
they?
got season your
Where
food
do
for
ya?
yourself.
Kill rat and puss and dog.
Where do ya?
Me get
Where
caught,
do
me get
ya?
caught,
Where
me
do
kill rat
ya?
and puss and
Where
dog.
do ya?
Me come kill the rat on that bed.
Where do ya?
Hey boy, me season you know.
Where you doing the holiday job pants?
Me
Where
got
do ya?
season you walking up.
No.
Me got season you walking up. Me got season him.
See where was season.
Me got pepper him.
Oi,
Me got pepper you.
Come here,
How you
sir.
pepper me pitney?
Come right here, so. Give me my shit.
My
That
shit.
they sitting there with the dung there, so I fi cut off.
Where
the
do
Me
ya?
neck.
got season him. Hey, they take off
Where
the
my
pepper.
shit? Where my shit?
You want give my daughter sausage?
No.
You want give my daughter
Me get
frankfurters?
called,
Me I
called
gonna give you
rat,
seasoning.
rat,
Lay down, make me season you today, boy. You're talking about
Man, you
picnic.
go in the wrong place, man.
And that if you know, and that if you know. We are going to bed.
I rat under the bed, me I tell you.
Oh, you
You know,
reaching
say
ya?
take it for joke.
How you
Where the
reaching ya?
mash shit that need to cut off?
Me know. Let's matter on some seat earlier on. I go feed.
Come on.
Come out, if you know a good favor for a season your back.
How him get in ya? Oh,
And you there, how him get in ya? And how him find under the bed with you in ya?
No, listen,
As a man.
I come in and say, look like him run out of the bed when he hear my voice. I come in not too long, come in. Me not too long, come in, not too.
Oh!
Right. No, for real, man.
Oh,
Tell
so the
lies.
next man a phone you,
You
phone
see
a
me
ring.
tell you say something did fishy for a long time? Boy, the on a bed, stepfather in a house, stepdaughter sit down for bed, something in a something. Me tell you for a long time.
Me
Say,
tell
I
the two of us
don't-
say she have to come out of
I
this.
don't trust him.
Me not trust she.
Him know where they go on, and him are the head of everything. Him is the head of everything.
Baby, ask her.
You
Me
come
not
back with
too
your
Me
long.
forgot season you too, Papa.
No, me not, me
Me
not,
forgot season you too.
you don't believe me?
Me a season you for
You
my
know I'm
picnic.
gonna lie. You know I wouldn't do that.
Me, you a man.
No,
A man your name.
But me know you wouldn't lie. Me
Me
look
was
like a girl.
season your backside for my picnic.
Me look like a hog or
Me-
a chicken. Do I
Me
look
was
like a
season
chicken?
you for my picnic. Me that business. Me have time.
You didn't know the man on that
Come
bed?
over here for me say.
Okay.
More time here.
Okay.
So hold on,
Run out of your house.
how him get, how man get,
You have to run him
hold
out.
on,
I wasn't here.
how
Run out of your house.
man, come here, yeah, big one, how man get on the bed?
No.
You don't know?
Me talk to you, no worry. Me I go find out how him coming there tomorrow.
This girl got
Me,
breed on you.
I wanna tell me not to put her out, you know.
No, but
No,
you
you can't do that.
You still
So
can't
what?
run
So
her
she
out.
got turn in here and give me high
So
blood
you
pressure.
Alright, listen. It's your
She got
child.
turn you give me high
No,
blood
listen,
pressure.
no,
Man
no,
on the head
listen.
for kill me.
Me no say
So
she feel high
analyze
blood
me in
pressure.
middle of night when me asleep. Come out from under the bed and analyze me or do it
No, you
thing
see
to
where
me.
one right there, so now it wrong. But listen, you have a worse wrong to send out your own child on the road for man abuser.
Man abuse it already.
Yeah, but then
And when we know her,
But she can't analyze her better. She stay under your roof. Where you run
she
around
not
on the
care.
street
Say
for.
she not care what me fi care for. She not care. Me
You
talk.
sure say no force them and force her in something where she no want to go in a?
She look force you.
I don't know. Me just ask her
I force you again, you gay.
again, get the boy. But anyway.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Call it
Come
a-
out, man.
No,
You
yeah.
can't deal with this.
No, you never know if you want to pick me up this all look at all
No, in can't run out. In can't run me and the man at the house. And we say, she up. Listen, she have to stay here. She
We
have to
want
stay
to know
here.
which rules you are going to put in at this under my yard.
But I'm an
You are catching up for me yard, so we want to know how in that jig raw you are put law in at this. You build nothing. You know how one nail going at this.
Me don't
You
know
come
one-
in at this your house already build, my friend, so you don't own nothing. So you don't run nothing. The only thing you run is this. And that's when I allow you to
Yeah,
run
my
it.
sister-in-law, you can't take this as sitting here slightly. Can you know she breed? This is
I
why
don't look after it because him tell me say chef
this
in
is
the
why I know
yard.
everything we are going. Me see it for a long time, but me just couldn't prove it. See, they don't. Yeah.
Something fishy for true.
When me did
No.
that think,
Something
I
true fishy for true.
You know, fishy at me that
Baby,
push
tomorrow me will talk to you
The
about
post like
all of
the bag.
this.
Him know
Right?
everything we are going.
Tomorrow is a never day and tomorrow
No.
never come. Me
I-
want to know what going
You-
with you and me pick me right here, sir. Me never see you bring your daughter here, sir, yet. Me want to know what you do with my daughter in my yard.
Listen, my daughter and I are same age. They are like, she's like my daughter as well, I tell you. And she's a good girl, me talk to her, me come here now. I never know some man under the bed. If me didn't know some man under the bed, you just come back and say, lim up.
Don't take my sister for no ass or no jackass. Don't do that. Not take her for no ass or a jackass because you can't yourself as a big man. Stepfather at that.
So me fi
See, no,
smell her.
stepdaughter.
Me fi
And
smell
you
her.
don't know
You
what
smell
to say,
it as
saying,
soon as you come in the
So
room. You
as
send
we
lick
come
you.
here, we know where we're going in. So.
Me no time to smell her. I look like a pervert
I
if
mean,
me
no,
fi try
like
to
if
smell
you
her.
come ask my sister-in-law if she a puss and dog.
So-
I never come here and see a puss and a dog. You no plan this. Oh, no.
When, if me come in here now, I go smell her. Would be a pervert.
So hold on, Popeye. How you love rum, money, and sex and woman, and you come in and you couldn't smell that? It's the first thing that stick up my nose as me come
He
in.
knows Scarco.
I know only that I got cock up. Oh no, only him knows I got cock up.
So what else could I cock up?
Let me find out and you will find out.
If I tell you what I got cock up your sister,
Let me find out and you will find out.
One little bit.
go on in your bed if she figure beard. What you mean she figure
She come out to me yard.
No, no, send her out.
I'm not send her figure beard and thing. What beard figure catch next man?
No,
Okay.
no, send her
I
out.
know.
And bringing man for me. What if we never catch him?
I'm
And me gonna sleep
Oh,
Or
now.
no catch you cannot show your daughter on the street.
Amen.
Things going to happen to her.
Amen.
What happened to her right here,
I
so?
tell yourself to encourage a little girl talk to her about sex Talk to her
Me
about.
talk to
Remember
her.
say you is a
Me
in the
draw a
street girl.
diagram.
She young.
Me talk
You
to her.
need to encourage her that.
In the street, girl.
And
See?
talk to her about
Same
right
thing.
and wrong.
In the-
Same always they talk to
When
her.
she go out the street and go do wrong, I straight to
You
the
know
mother
what
them
run
and
out
look
and
on.
run them out? Big finger never tell lie. Big finger never tell lie.
Baby,
Stop run out your daughter and then keep man in your
baby,
house. See who you have to run out here.
baby.
Okay.
I'm your love of your life, right?
Love
And
of
we've been,
life.
it's almost 8 years. I'm not going to say 7 years, right? It's almost 8
So
years.
for your love
And
or
I,
for your life of love over here, so.
and I love you to the moon.
Wait.
Baby.
My love for you,
Hey.
not even basket can empty.
Sure, kid.
It's always overflow.
Love with the backside. You're
No
not
matter how
saying.
much hole in it, it's
Full
you.
blouse and skirt.
You come like the roses, baby. When,
full of sweet
when I
chat.
pick you and put you in the like all in a pan like that with the water, you just
And
bloom.
shirt and baggy like dirt. Full up our head of foolishness.
Baby.
Well, baby, baby.
Yes,
You
yes.
know, so we gone past the 7 years already. Not
Yes,
true.
baby.
And just like how you have the 7 year itch, my 7 year itch done long time.
Before you
Nobody
shut my
baby
box,
me.
okay.
Me don't
You
know.
understand what you're saying?
Me don't know. 7 year itch done crash out long time. You have the itch on me crutchy. And now you
said
one
done.
have it.
Period. She have it up to you, so. Last trash.
Got too much fishy
A
is
lo-
going in
A
this.
long time, we didn't want to
Last trash. She have
the
it up to
cobweb
here,
shop.
so she
A
can.
long time.
Okay.
Who?
She said if you come out her place, so that she say.
Me have half a year.
And I'm gonna
Which
take
part?
up on them when she did buy you left them.
No.
And
Which
she
part
buy
you
them and
have?
she wash them.
You are gonna talk to
The
me.
only thing you do is with the hand upon them is shit in them and she wash them. Go out.
No.
And
Yeah.
she buy them.
I have half of this.
Hey.
I never said me that.
I
No,
swear,
baby,
I get-
no.
Come on, La. If she had put me up, me have to get half of everything.
Hey yo.
Half of the
Half a
TV.
zero is zero.
One of the
Yeah.
two from them.
Come out.
Come on.
Come out. You're not putting up.
You know, read the law.
Really?
You
You can
Half of
prove
the
it.
bed.
I
You
make
can
him do your
prove
something tell us
it.
if you run away for a long time.
Hold on. Him thinks me a fool. You can prove it. Where is your proof that you've been in my life that long?
I have all my receipts
Eh?
with your name linked to it.
Eh?
When you sign, you remember those days.
Where you put
right?
it? Where you put it?
Even the last.
You put it and me find it and burn it, you fool, yo. See,
Fine
where
way.
you proof now?
Fine way. I camouflage your bun. You think it's matter damn?
Okay.
You see all
Bring
the,
it go court. Bring it go
you see
court.
all the TV.
Bring it go court. But you come here concede. Bring it go court.
Look on the good. I remember say your daughter mash up, you know. It's a brand new one. See the plastic
Bring
here?
it go court.
See the plastic here?
Bring it go court. Bring it. You know what me I gonna do? My sister enforcement, and I couldn't leave him. Cause him hold me down and he raped me. Him grape me, my sister, and then him threaten say I go grape my baby too. You know what them do? You know what them do? Woman beat a woman, rape a child rape in a prison. Try me. A woman my name war beat a man. Try me.
You lie.
Try me. Prove it.
You lie.
Prove it.
You lie.
Prove it. Prove
Give me
it.
witness
Oh
here.
God, me can't hardly walk.
Don't mix me.
My sister, me can't hardly walk.
Man,
Why
pull
make
out
me
me
so
here.
sore? Oh God, sister, it make me so sore. It really
Alright.
hurt me, my
You win.
sister. Oh God, my sister.
You win.
It hurt me, my sister.
You win.
I went, if I want pots, my sister, but put it in the
Oh,
wrong
yeah, the
place.
You win.
Oh God, sister, help me, boy.
You win.
Help me, boy.
You win. You win. You win. You win.
That is not yours. Oh, sis,
And
you
that is
got
not
me.
yours, that my sister buy.
And that is not yours.
Yes, come on, take off your shirt.
No, I put it on already.
Okay.
And mom, make me bleed down there, the sister. Mom, make me bleed. Get outside, you dirty wretch. Jam fool, you a woman with him.
Get out, you little cockroach. Me tell you to buy these long time.
In things said, in can't run this. Talk to me about the next man, no, my sister. Me want to run him for a long time.
You know,
Come
say,
talk to me about the next man.
me I tell you a long time. Say the man want you. And he will take you by your house, ask and something and give you. But guess what? No, you always, when time they chat about your man, you always chat about, no, and your niece have to talk about, stop talking about my man
I
like
have my
that.
plans.
Oh, you have plans?
I'm right. I am by to tell you the other day, you know.
I lie.
I am by this the other day, you know.
I lie.
So me and I know fool. Everybody I look at me like say me a fool. Me get tablet, me get TV, me get radio, and me get Starlink. And then can go on. Bring in the next
So well,
one.
and it's Starlink we get.
The order.
How we go plug in? I ain't no generator, I ain't no current.
It will come.
How it will come?
It will come. Me have my plans and my treat me like idiot. Me play full for catch. Where is my sister? Right you now, me have phone and tablet.
All
and
along me
that.
think so me think so me they tell you things and you not listen to me, you know, me think you make the junkie rumhead boy the tongue and idiot, you know.
Oh.
You
A
go
woman
girl.
me name. Woe but to any
Well,
man
the
who
man
ram
when me they tell you about,
Mm-hmm.
have it like that.
That's it.
Clap that tea. Come on.
Boy, sis, I'm glad you come. Something in a something. And them two things say me born big. You know, say, since me and you seasoned the boy yesterday and come back this morning.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. But I'm not to me, ma come.
What you mean?
You know, say, and come out the door and I screechy, chin, and I throw a rock stone on it like saying, no, see me there, you know. When me go screech and look on the window, as I go out to him. Me no hear everything, but me hear she say, yes, man, meet you later. Them really think say we be born big, you know.
So, hold on there. How is she there?
She's supposed to be in her room. That me I tell you for a long time, I want to put the picnic out, but don't cry me tears for her.
I tell you, I
Just
don't
pray
trust
God.
him.
Trust what? Trust not. You know,
don't
say, oh, I
trust
trust I
him.
get high now. Every time you call pass her, I just think of sex.
Yeah,
Every time you pass
who you
her.
think me attack?
And a chin you talk.
No, me love.
Well, you're folding if you not talk chin. Cause me no business with the one
I
papaya
do
no
not
more.
trust
Papaya
your
no my business
dirty
no
man.
more. Which who the fool for dirty man and the
Me
my
not
dirty
trust
man no
him.
more. Me
Wait
done
there.
with that.
You know say. That man there. You know if you take him back in your life?
Take what? Take what?
No. Me not understand what you say.
Then I come with command law to me.
Him come back and whatever. Me not understand that. So, him and Chin plan for do.
Me no know, girl. All me hear is chin. Yeah, see you later. And them I do this. Them on this. I look back to see if me I listen. But them never see me screechy by the window. I listen them.
Something and something.
Of course. And the pig them raise me, raise the mother, and the granny done dead long time.
You know say. Anytime me tell you something, if you not near so you go so.
For a long
You know what
time.
I mean?
For a long time.
If you not go so, it near so, and if you not near so, it goes so. You don't you know that? Something and something again, me I tell you 1,000,000 times. Say,
Me I wonder, you
Me
know,
no know,
because it's
but-
obvious, you know. But me want proof.
you notice so much time me tell you say something and something?
Cause every time, and I just when the dirty foot job on the butt, she smell of sex, you know. When the two of them lock up in here.
No, but me ask, the part about the smelling part every time. We
It's
are
a
smell,
joke me a
smell.
make.
Where they smell every minute and ray, blah, blah, all kind of thing. A big girl that now, 18-year-old, when she, cause you can't stop her from have sex now, you know.
From
All you have to
before
do-
she turned 18.
As me tell you,
Today.
me tell you 1,000,000 times, and I'll tell you again, the only thing you can do is encourage them to use protection and try to be careful, because she not ready for baby yet.
That one
She not ready
is
to take on the
tougher
world
than
yet.
tough.
But guess what? Every time me notice you talk to her, you dey tell me how she a say. Me a 18, me a big woman now. Yes, them a big woman now. That's how they feel. Because they reach the age, but at the end of the day, they are not mature. Me
And we
think
are
say,
try teach them off.
me believe so when them are 18, them is still a child.
Them
Them
no
are ready
must.
to take on the world yet. Give them till about 21 and say, okay, alright, then that more sound like an adult. 18, me backside.
She still a come and ask me the most simple things.
And true, they know so them pass the law about this 18 and 16 consent fee of whatever. Them just want to take on the world before. But remember the
They want
saying.
man, they want drink, they want smoke, everything before time.
Remember that saying here. Before you be a mother, you got to be a woman. But them a generation, yeah. Them be a mother before them be a woman.
Them are no mother. Them a baby carrier.
I'm
Them
a
are no
niece, you
mother.
know. I'm a niece, and I no want put my mouth on her, cause number one, I no want nobody when nothing go do her, them say, a Candy did say, and Candy have goat mouth, cause anything she say, it happen. But me have to warn her.
Yes, all me do. Me tired. Me
Then
tired
young.
to cry. Me tired for chat. All me do is pray to the ancestors, pray to God, and the
when they
ancestors
talk to
protect
them-
her, and me done.
When I talk to them, them a act like I say, where they say no make no sense.
Worst thing ever.
And like I hate them, and they call down this fan them. But listen, you say she run her room when she do sleep.
Me no want to know what she a do. Like,
Chin! Don't answer me, so. Me go call you again. Chin! Come here, ma'am. Boy, yes. Think me your size. Me a big old great one woman. You're outside. Sit down. Wait, hold on there. Stand up back. Turn around. Again and again and again. Watch your
Kaka.
chorrated. And you buy her this a shot, yeah?
you know, say shots,
This
belly
a-
a show, all umbrella the pan face.
No, she's
ready
a
for
nice
action.
young girl. Me not say she fit dress like Olo man. Yes, she look nice. But where you going, ma'am? A party you go? Oh, they wish. Sit down here, so make me can. Sit down right here, so. You know what? Come in and make here, so. Drop. Come up here, so. Me know why me want you right here so close to me, so when right. Sit down. Don't go no further. Sit down. Put on foot. Close the legs. Oh, Taddy, I don't care if you're 18
That's
or
what she
81.
practice for sit down.
I don't care if you're 18 or you're 81, means your auntie. Listen to me now. You're looking very nice. But when you go out in a them kind of style, yeah. Me love, go out with your mother. Go to your mother, at least your mother, when it crosses, then they look upon you, we want to come put you down in a poverty life. Your mother can talk to them and say, oh, you know, bother with this one because I suffer with her too much in a real life. Eh? And I mean, want to take care of my daughter, so I don't want no ray. Listen to me. Where you say they go again?
Yeah, with who? Oscar with who?
Hold on there, my sister-in-law. You're going out the road, looking like this.
Yeah,
To who?
nobody.
So why you going on the road looking like this? Because they don't dress appropriate. This look like a then kind of dressing and no name. Fuck your mother, you know. Then kind of dressing I mean. Hey, you see as you see me? Come beg me some front. I saw that dressing a name.
You know, say big. It's say me I go give you front.
What you say?
My stepfather said me can wear anything you want.
Okay,
and then go shut your back. And your step, hold on there.
him.
Your stepfather say you can wear anything you want.
Yeah,
Are your stepfather your mother?
no,
Are your stepfather get pregnant with you for 9 months and bring you?
no.
So they listen to what your stepfather say and not your mother.
Everything on him, bro.
So what could I cause this now make you a listen to stepfather and not your mother? Every minute your mother they call me and they complain to me. What is your problem?
Because we respect him.
You respect your stepfather to your stepfather one give your man or in the give your man. Which one?
Because he's not good stepfather.
Okay.
Because I want good
Okay.
stepfather and you smile like I want good
Cause she
stepfather
know
for
what she
you.
go get and what she go give.
You see if God ain't go send me. You see if police ain't go lock me up because I two punishment that they pan me one. God a go send me and police a go lock me up. A two dangerous punishment that I'd ring off your neck.
You not ring off nothing. Get in
But
trouble
guess what?
for.
But don't leave you alone. Cause you see who can hear?
I forgot feel.
Okay. Who can hear? Who cannot hear? No one talking in their real life like them deaf and they act like them dumb and deaf. They have to feel. Go on because guess what? You're sexy and you're nice. Hold on. Not because I say go on. I mean right now. Listen. You dress accordingly to what you're about to do. So you're the dress to impress whosoever you they go out there to. I hope You not think about only I am 18. You think about the danger where you put your crutches in. Cause it look like say you cannot control your crutches. You have a crutches problem that you cannot control. But not because you are 18. You feel so you must go out there up on the road and open up your legs. Just like that as you feel like. Be careful where you go. You see out there so full of disease, all kind of infection, chlamydia, gonorrhea, the big one the A and the other one them, the G and the whole of the rest of one them. Listen to me. You see any oh you pass me now and there me smell no little funny scent on you. And then me go take me last dine like what you do the last time and make me have to care a doctor and me smell one little scent a bad scent. Like a garbage jeep or fish or any little thing in this. That the time them in no business. No tell whether your man want run you out, put you in, pan the house stop, and the house stop tomorrow anyway. Right now I'm a big fish not stand up on the street. You're not listening because you say you're 18 and you're a big woman, so you feel free to do anything where you want to do. So you go, my love. You're not upon your own, you're under your mother roof, you're supposed to listen. So true, you don't want to listen when parents say, you say you're 18 and gone for your own. And I barely couldn't get from a man. Barely can sex and hungry belly pant up. Get up and go on where you go. Anything happen. Right now, I don't care again. Look what she have.
Chin,
Look what she have on.
when you go, tell your stepfather to nobody come back to my yard, yeah?
All that they dirty. No, Mrs. Steiner.
I that me I deal with.
That they dirty drunk they we me they warn you about for a long time. We drink rum and crazy. Everybody talk about him out the road. Or in lay down and junk and make dog a lick off in dirty mouth. When he junk, they and dash water upon him. All dog pass and piss upon him. You really I chat about make no come back here. I some water if you put on the fire and boil up that and dash in that face and then come back here doorway.
So what you think some idiot?
Come back
Me
in
now
and
make no police come here put no silver bracelet on my hand.
What who? I'd rather police lock you up than him come back and sleep in
my
the bed.
place in the heaven and me lose my
You know you want to tell us the other day out there so how I fear on him I fear him house.
I can't go like you know see who gone. A woman me
fear on him.
know. A woman maybe go with 20 man. Tell me about the next man now. You want to talk about that frozy one? The nice one, me and you are going to talk about.
I remember if I tell you. Since the girl me they come here say Papa I thief egg.
Thief egg for fertilize. Come me girl.
Hey, I be a man sitting in here me know that road. Me don't know you went.
You think, but we did have no plan for
In
him.
thief egg. They care home if you come make sandwich with your friend him and come friend you out back for you take him in.
Friend what? Friend what you know see me? In my friend go and me have the TV, me have tablet, me have phone. Sit. How much tablet me have? You think so me an idiot?
Anyway,
Come man, we
come
can
to
go on
talk
the road.
about the man. The man ready, him ready.
Me ready too. You give him my number.
So, make it, of course, why not? You think me an idiot? Girl,
You can make
come
him
follow me
know.
go to the road. Follow
Yeah,
me go
man,
halfway.
you can make him know. So, like how the idiot gone out of my life now. I'm free, single,
No,
and
me not have to tell him. Me
disengaged.
not have to tell him. Me give him your number, so I'm going to call you. So, girl, you soon come out of the house and go in a concrete house.
Of course, then the must.
them
Bigger
man-
and better out there.
Yesterday, man, they have their own hardware. You don't have to buy a material. Not even one cement you don't have to buy. You go get everything.
Hey, and that me want me work hard fit, you know. Fear
Oi.
is fear.
Which
you
time me
lose?
did take off my slippers
Yeah,
again?
it out there, so man.
Okay.
Too much passa.
Yeah.
So, remember, you know, you tell me that $3 million, right?
Yeah.
The link out this morning. Early, cause you see $3 million phone shoot.
Yeah, 'cause I know.
Sometimes-
I know sound truth. A real thing, my father, man, with top cap now, you know, man.
No, but you don't listen to the other option. To me, you feel like say the $3 million too much here. Cause look where you're in there. I had $3 million.
You see, and they tell her mother and auntie, which is say book, you have to read the book. Don't just look on the cup and say, nah, you're boring. No, man, the book, festive daddy. You have to
No.
read the book.
I don't can't read a book, so you can't tell me nothing about book.
See, alright, see the book of my father, you have pictures. No words, you have pictures, so you can
Picture what?
Ever look on the book when I used to go to school with my father. They have some book, you have words in your book and you have picture in your book. I look on yourself. Picture.
Me
Words.
see the picture. But
See,
why picture?
what man do? Man, them a run.
Me don't never run, them a run.
No, you can see the athlete, my father, man.
Show me where they move.
Hmm?
Show me where they move, Fanny.
What about that?
You think a TV that? Show me.
No, it's an example. Me I show you my father. Just like it says a can. I show
You
you
said
a book.
3 million. Me tell her the time, so
Mhm.
she would have there about a minute or so. Because me tell her the exact time. But you are why you angle it and give it. Oh, see? Nah, let me down.
Why?
Nah, let me
Where's the
down.
one now, baby?
No man, nobody will be talking right now. Just steal and make me rule and get the money.
Remember me tell him me not feel good.
It don't matter. Listen, all you have to do is lay down. I lay down, you lay down. You know. Just even if you drop asleep,
I'm Tia Browning. I don't feel good.
Does-
Me not feel good. Me not know why.
just drop
Me
asleep.
not
It don't
feel
matter.
good.
Just drop asleep and relax your nerves.
I feel good.
Don't worry about that bad man. Just relax, man. That's what you have to do. Remember the deal, man.
No, I mean, I have to get a deal. So I remember when you say you don't feel good. You know,
Don't worry about that. Look
Look
what me not feel good myself.
No, I don't respond about that feel good, daddy. Me I talk about she and fear feel good.
No, man, I teach you not drink. She alright,
Can
man.
I feel good at one sweetheart? Because I must say me Lincoln some style no man. You know I'm saying. If money for spending or whatever, you know.
That me not like we don't know people in it. Sometimes me I want to deal with that business. Look on the quality where you get.
Yeah.
And you can talk about where you be.
Me go say how good silver quality me have a good silver.
No, go there and look for yourself.
So, you know, say gold.
Don't worry about that. I just know say that gold is.
Yeah man, skin clean as a silver them now.
You
real
agree
life.
to what you say, agree.
Me no disagree, my father.
Okay. Just deal with it. Chin, all you have to do, shut your eye. Drop asleep. Them man, even lock your foot a little bit until when you know say him go come, you open it back and make him come, and that's it. Oh,
That push foot, daddy. What you talk about? What about this? A normal priest still. Me like what you do. Me like come there say I tell him about what you do. Me no worry yourself. No put no lock again. What you say go on? Mama come on here.
you there, hear me? My daughter? Yes. Oh, that God. Oh, God. Boy. More money.
Look over there, so. How would this yeah?
You can't go on now. Go. You
Oh,
just perplex
God.
me.
Mr. Common Law wife. You know nothing more forgive me.
You can't get what you do here, fella. Don't worry.
Mind how you're paying for me, you know?
Me
Because
have
me can
mine.
ball.
Me have only got money you should have left me. Me had $3 million go get.
Ever meet.
Daddy right now, I tell you what go on to my father. Nothing no go on, you know. The money not go on to you, know.
You
Come even pushing you.
Hello.
Push. Hey.
Where you just say? Where you say little one?
Okay.
Come here.
So as soon as you push
Come.
it in. But money for who? What you giving
right
money
here,
for?
Right now, I respect again in a auntie.
Oi.
Me being a PA.
Hello, come back right here, so don't go there, so stand up right here, so when you talk, I want when time you talk, when me want hear for a long time.
Listen me out.
You get
Money
your
for who? For what?
Listen me now. Me been a give boss some money in a
Who?
PA. Stepdaughter, you know. Where
You.
who you have to? Listen me, auntie. Been a give boss some money, you know.
Give
For
who?
what?
No, if you step that out, you know, your boss will give me one more money, you know. But me know me not give more than 3 million for more time, you know. And then I see me face, I'm more orangey, I'm more than a meal forget. Just
More?
listen
You
me,
think you look at $50,000 they reach no meal?
50,000.
Me want the $3 million where you promise me.
You
Think
can't
me never know.
You can't but I get
So
it
how
all
much
right
you
now.
get?
I
come
didn't
like
know.
say,
You
you
think
even
me
know
never
for
know?
right
How much you
I'll give
get?
me share on the boss.
Huh?
She know on top vomit. More know what go on.
Oh,
What?
half a million make you vomit
Vomit?
now.
Yeah.
Hold on there.
Hey!
Hey, who's
Alright.
come to show?
So you know what that
And
mean?
everybody wanna put the blame on who? Hello.
So now you breed me picnic. What go
Me.
go on?
Hold on there.
Listen me
When
more.
they say pay vomiting a go on.
I breed that.
Hold
You
on.
breed.
Auntie, listen me.
You take your
Don't
card,
breathe,
come over here, so
step
can nobody
ladder.
think you can friend out nobody else. So shut for
The
your
money
clappers.
just gone.
Hello, shut for your
Right,
clappers.
boy. Listen me.
Me want you
been a
on the
use
breeding
boats.
pa-
Listen me been a use boats. Cause you know, it's a brown it's a girl pretty so. You can't trust them. They with their shut away with their kill.
Hey, yo.
Protect up myself.
So hold on there.
Been a
Hold on there.
youth
Hold on there. Hold on there.
I him if you cuss it dirty boy.
Wait, me not cuss
no
nobody
know.
yet,
Look,
and you're
you know.
not gonna tell me when if you cuss them put on your hand.
Auntie,
You
listen.
tap
No,
me
me
ear.
tell her what go-
Me
you know,
not
hear
your auntie.
yet.
Shut your dirty
Me say no
stinking
hear
mouth,
yet.
Jack.
Listen me.
No, you listen.
She
You
must-
listen because
Hold
me
on,
that
Nikki,
tell a long
so
time
me
so if you leave
wanna
me
know
alone.
who responds for this.
Hey, yeah, mother, listen me.
Hey.
Him me tell me say a
Hey, come
goal.
here. Come
Me
back
a
right here,
get.
so can you not get
But
to
me
him.
not go there and a silver. He pass goal long time.
Who tell us say a silver goal?
Him see a goal and me know see a silver.
Dirty lion.
Hold on there. Hold on there.
Me tell you
So
that
how
dirty
you
lion.
know
Tell me
say
say a goal,
hold
daddy.
on. How you
He
know
wants to be
say
mommy.
gold did this or silver?
Because look for my stepdaughter.
So you are good at too?
No.
Yeah,
So
how
how
you
you
know?
know
How
whether
you know
gold,
say a
silver,
goal?
or
Talk
when
to
next
them.
one name?
Look how she look like
Silver
gold.
or
Bronze.
Bronze. You know,
Our
bronze.
mother is
In a rich bronze, we can't
What you
tell
call it, medal?
You have gold, silver, and bronze.
So
In a rich
how you
bronze.
know say a gold or a silver or
In a rich
whatever?
bronze.
Look on her good. Look on her good.
Look,
Wait,
this-
hold
this
on.
deceiving,
Look
daddy.
on her good.
So all the
How
vomiting part
you
go?
know?
How the vomiting
How
part
you
go?
Ask her,
know?
she have a me.
Why? I want to go on with my daughter, gold, silver,
Me
platinum.
tell a long
No.
time say that dirty man, I me not trust him.
We do.
Me tell a long
Me
time
tell you
say.
long time, so me want proof.
Yes, but
Now
me
me
tell a
have
long
the
time.
proof.
I get the
Say me
proof.
ear say him a collect money and a sell out a daughter to man.
Yeah.
Ah,
Did
Me
you
know.
believe I?
So,
You know, we not drive on
This
now.
a one I say use condom. Come out with the loud and brawling, say she a vomit. That one they chat about. Me don't know nothing about it. Him say him tell him say a gold or a silver. Something in a
so who
something.
breed you?
Hey! So if
Dirty boy, you
Why
see the
you're
money
so-
gone.
Oi.
So my
Oi,
daughter
come here,
not
come
living,
here.
you not living in my yard no more.
Oh
you
yeah,
know?
hello, come around and so let me see your face.
You're
Every time me see
responsible.
you they drink that. Listen
No,
to me.
me start drink come
Hey.
Arizona now. Listen to me. My girl, me been a use both start.
Listen.
Show me tap me and the money, you know.
Man,
Broke
me
now.
want know who for box.
Me say me broke now.
Me a talk to
Money
her.
done.
Me a talk to me niece and me want hear her. Say
money
you
done.
can shut up now.
Money done.
Me a give
So
her
how
time.
now she can talk to
Oi.
her niece and it's not a problem?
Wait
I
man, give
need
her
to
time
talk
for
to
that.
you.
Leave
Oh,
her.
okay.
Look here.
Yeah, crushed up.
Is your me want crush it
It a
up.
crush up.
If he crush up.
Drape up she.
Me not drape her
Asking
up.
who breed them. My girl, who
What-
breed them?
Oh,
Yeah, sure. Me
you
been
hear?
a use both.
Then
How
Me
both
want
breed them?
know
you
who
want tell me
really
say you had,
breed
how much money did that take?
I can't
Him
want.
a-
alone.
him
No,
alone?
mama.
So you want tell me say you not breed me niece because you
And
did
a
a
brand
use
new
condom?
car and a oh, you feel read it? Somebody can read in a condom.
You
Yes, I'm
juke
worried.
copy.
Yeah.
You juke copy.
Me tell you something for
You
that age
juke
and then
copy.
something there. Me afraid there's something for juke copy.
You can juke copy
I mean
condom.
for that age and then something there.
I lie. So what you want? Say me niece have what? The big
She
A?
too pretty for that.
Hello.
So me can't tell if she clean or not. You see pretty girl them must bring you all of this, you know. When they
I like the
pretty.
man
So
them
you,
to bring
look
it
here, you
too.
see it?
Me no
You
say
see
no.
the disgrace?
Me no
You
say
see
no.
this
And
dress,
this
the
I
man a make shut up. The man a make clear, make it clear,
So you know what, man,
loud
the
and
picnic.
clear. Say,
Me?
shut up.
If I
The
come
man
with
a,
that man-
you shut up. The man a make it loud and clear. Say, you never dey have sex with one man. He no trust you. That mean you have more than one
So
man.
he's a
So
Alright.
how much? So you is a
Talk to.
whatever.
Don't
so
tell a lie.
how much?
How much man money?
How much man
How much
you
man
did
money?
have sex with? So.
Oh, breed you.
A step
Thank you. Let go my shirt.
father.
Let go my shirt.
Boy, come
That is not
Oi,
this.
come here.
No,
Fix-
holy shit.
No, me not
That
hold your
is
shirt.
not this.
Fix up back your shirt.
So you really,
no,
you
yes,
really
Father.
No,
breed my
yes.
picnic.
No,
You
here.
really
You
breed
are
my
wicked.
picnic.
No, here.
Come here.
Sis.
Deal with him.
Come here.
No, listen.
Hold on,
hold
your
on,
son. Look
hold
at
on.
make she a cry. Turn
Hold
up your
on.
stuff.
You never cry with your tech man.
No, wait. Hold on there. Wait.
This can explain.
Me still have to
Explain.
hand up. Brand new
Hey,
car me
hey,
get.
you want to hear the
Wait.
explanation?
No, hold him down here, so. Hold him down here, so that meaning he can't get you. No, hold him up there, so.
We
No,
want
hold
to
him
hear
up
the
there, so.
explanation.
Hold him.
No,
Hold him.
no,
Hold
this
him
can
everywhere.
explain.
Hold him.
You come back around here, so.
No,
You
you
think
see,
you're
me no,
smart.
I lie,
You,
wicked.
come, take your
Hold on.
backside. We ain't going
Explain
there so
now.
every time. Like you want to take time and run. We stand up
No,
here,
me no run
so.
again. Me no run again. Me no
Let me
run
explain.
again.
Let
Stand
me
up here,
explain.
so. Don't
Explain.
move, because if you run with him,
With
you're not
me?
gonna like-
Me the business with she.
With
We
me
want
and
to
my
know
brain.
from you.
Hello, let me hear again, because maybe me never did hear so good. Who
Who
say
breed you?
Daddy, you're calling when him a breed you.
So now you make your father with dead and gone.
Yeah.
And comfortable in a grave.
I'm a
Because you're there with your
third.
stepfather.
And I put it on me.
So right now your
And I
father.
call him daddy.
So
Yeah.
right now your father's spirit
Sugar
grieves
daddy.
because your
Move from
stepfather.
it. Move
Sugar
from
daddy.
too close
Come
to
here,
me.
Chris.
Move from too close
Sugar
to me.
daddy.
Move by yourself, you not get where you're going to
Sugar daddy.
Hello.
Where you go? You're
So,
crying
Chin.
now.
We want the
Yeah, breed.
explanation.
Wait, you know what on there? You breed for your stepfather.
One to me, you can't breed to me.
Me
You
want
not
the
just
explanation.
you not just say you never trust her say they use condom. So you can't ask her that they foolishness stepper.
I should have me my breed for come here.
How she gonna breathe for you and say you
And
use
me a
condom?
spend. I should have me.
Right you know, this spending when they do not make
We
no
don't.
sense because I buy you in the buy front. Don't go through you know give she the money personally. You pay the stepper to get crutches from the stepdaughter.
Because I-
And you're
you don't
a
want
jackass
the problem.
because you was paying money for nothing at all. You pay the money and stepper
Me
bring the stepdaughter.
Me been a get the car. But never brand new. Use already.
Oh,
Use already,
use
yeah.
car. Use product.
Oh God.
All use.
Me not tell me
All
no.
use.
Oh, go.
Remember, say me did tell you, say me I go cut off. God! Yeah? If you remember, say me did say me I
Yes,
go cut off
sister,
that.
deal with him.
So no wonder
Deal with
why
him.
every time you hear me and our mother they talk,
A problem.
you have a problem and they take up for you because you know you did go there to give me a
Yes.
Well, I look, let me
Beat
explain.
him, sis. Cut off it. You cut off it.
Explain.
Explain the
Explain.
place.
Come here.
It was a
Explain.
rainy night.
Rainy night.
I made it junk.
And
How much money me give you?
So how you remember say I did one
How
rainy
much
night?
money
So
me
how long ago?
Me did think I'm mother.
How long ago?
Oh,
much
you
money me
remember
give you?
say I want rainy night and you junk and you get it.
Me did think I'm
I
mother.
wish you run gone.
That me I wonder.
Make sure run gone. Come in a business with
Oh, hurry up and come back up here, sir.
How you remember?
Me did think I'm mother.
child abuse.
Me did think I'm
Child
mother.
abuse. Child rape.
You,
No. I'm to be
Let me not lick on your backside, you know.
Me the business with
I chew
that.
your breed, make me not lick you with it. Hey.
You see it? Listen, can you tell me how much money me use a game?
Hey,
Yeah,
come out
the
of me
idiot
way.
too.
Come out.
You're the idiot too.
Come out of me way, you dirty wretch. Come out of me way.
Everything good.
Come out of me way, you too out of order.
Right.
Hold on now,
What is
Crafty.
that
You see?
this?
You see,
May I
you see the
tell you,
em-
say,
you see the
me want
embarrassment?
put the girl out of me yard for a long time. Long time I want to put her to
No,
me
but that
yard.
couldn't stop our contact, man.
Me wouldn't have it this headache
a
right
look like
today.
it a go on.
Today, me would have walked about my business and not have this headache.
Listen to me.
Eh?
Listen to me. This look like it a go on for a long time. She dead there with your man long time and your daughter.
Then you know, hear me call him child abuser.
But listen now.
She just turned a woman.
Yes,
that
but-
means him a dep with her for a long time or I
But
look upon
God
her.
have mercy.
Judge her.
But
What
you
is
still
that
can't put
this?
her road because she go bring your
Watch
granddaughter
me.
or your grandson.
Eh.
And if you put her road on the road,
And then we have two generations now, listen to me.
see, you know,
And I'm going to come
that
back
dirty
to you.
one day and say run gone. He
Make
look like
them-
he can't stand up to no pitney.
My business.
So stepfather
I have
breeds stepdaughter.
business. Well, make stepfather, stepbrother, half brother, half what that come in and deal with it. Nah, deal with that. Me tell you for a long time, I wash my
And you know
hand.
the worst part of it? You can't carry the drunk or go lock him up because she's 18.
Me no business. Make
This
them
dirty
deal
man,
with
you know.
it. Make them deal with
listen.
it.
You
Me
see
no
the-
business.
You know what's that dirty man where you used to deal with? A long time me they warn you about him. Long time. And me figure it out long time, you know, but me just never
Every
sure.
time
me
them
just
get
want
together,
little
me
proof
smell
and me they
sex
tell
when
you
I
that-
come in.
Me little proof and me get big proof. Him the day with his stepdaughter long time till
Right.
him breed him.
And
That's
she
why
just
you
turned
know why
adult,
we
you
say
know.
nothing about the clothes them when she wear.
Exactly.
Him have a
That
problem.
time I'm a prayer.
Pre.
Lord
Don't
God.
pre out when you pre out and go in a shop and open up door.
You see when
and take them things off her shelf already.
you know, say him I not only wanna go earn off of this. Hey, you think say me get TV? You think say me get tablet? You think say me get phone? Cock off far by the time me load this one up, me I gonna get brick house. Wait, child abuse.
That's not on child abuse because she 18. You're damn fool. And you should have control your man private. Because look there now. Me I tell you the truth. You stop and look for me. It is the truth. Me I warn you a long time say I don't trust that man where you're there with you know, my sister-in-law. Me still love you as a sister-in-law, but you should have known say your man private cannot stay in a him or her or she or whatever ever pants. Me not active about that come down the road you don't cause this a disgrace. Everybody in here, me I turn back. Me gonna